Africa? Africa? What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
Feeling this.
You're feeling... My goodness. Africa, I thought I asked you not to wash the cars. Look, I wanted to take them to car wash. Why? Africa, why did you put yourself through all this stress?
Papa, I want to look at mother. I want to ask him and salad.
Imagine. Where is that cook? Edna! Edna! Please come. Please, look at this young man. What happened to him? I asked him not to wash the cars and he insisted. Just imagine now.
Oh my goodness.
Please, Edna, I'm rushing off to the office, okay? Just take care of him. Give him whatever he needs. In fact, look, that pharmacy is down the street. Make sure you go there and get drugs for him. Okay? I'll see you when I come back.
Okay. What happened to you?
I first time when they asked me to see me. Wow. Bring pen and paper, my just calm down.
Can you be serious for once? Tell me what you want to eat and I'll go and make it for you.
I'm not serious. Besides, I can't tell you, say, no, give me everything I want. So I bring paper and pen, now I write them down.
Should I bring a long note or short note?
I bring hardback.
Hardback. I'm coming, I'll bring hardback 4. So that you fill here for the things you want to eat at once. I'm bringing them now. So work with possible. That of that is carry.
Pares querido centerabarai zorabai. Where your toilet?
I got what you define.
Snake, enter here.
Snake.
Don't joke, I'm a man of God. Snake, enter here. Where your toilet? There.
Yes.
You know say snake and
Why they fight toilet?
snake and toilet are 5 and 6. The spirit is telling me that the snake is in your toilet. That side.
Okay, why is it? I never kill the snake.
Oh. It is not.
What is this way?
But I flushed the toilet. Sorry, I killed the snake properly.
Wait, though. Don't tell me you went to my personal executive toilet to mess things up there.
Brother, no verse. It been hook you. So I just go offload. Thank you very much. Obele.
You know, say I fit kill you now.
Na toilet
You
I
know, say
go
magic
now.
they do. You carry knife, but I fit kill you.
No verse. Na toilet I go. No be say I do anything. No verse.
So you don't go finish.
Yes.
Before Shanwen.
Unfortunately.
I they go now.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
But for allowing a man of God to offload, I want to.
Okay, they go! You know, say, if you pray for me now, with this your God now, I will do it like this. If you pray for me now, I go there worse than this. They go.
They enjoy you. Only you they drink 2 mineral.
You don't see I'm now where life keep you.
Rice
Yeah.
and stew.
Okay, they go now.
My brother,
I'm wasting my time.
I dey fight you. Calm down now. I think only one. I never chop today. No verse.
Wait, you shit for my executive toilet. You don't flush and wear. You still won't collect one.
Help the needy now. In giving you receive. Make I just collect one.
So say I'm not better person. No wahala now.
My
Take
collect.
one there. Take this one and take carry this thing. Make it where you use. Pull am down.
Very. In fact, do you know what? My God will bless you. My God.
Hey, don't care. They go.
My God will lift you. My God will adore you.
They go. Your God don't adore me. They go.
I want to pray for you. You need them.
Pray for who?
You just need them now. You listen.
You never teach you suppose don't change that your church where you go. Say as you dey like beggar.
Okay.
You don't give offering for your church. You don't fit just use 100 or 200,000 take buy time.
Forget the messenger and listen to the message.
Okay, then go. I don't want minister your ministry.
I am going to bring my bride over, my wife.
Ah!
getting married?
Yes, I'm getting married.
Oh my God, wow. Hey, God is good. Oh, wow.
All the time.
And all the time.
God is good.
Oh, wow. This is great news. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see the apple of your eyes. So once again, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Don't worry, you'll see her very soon.
It's very good. In that case, my work here is almost done. Once she comes back, I'm on my way out.
Why? Says who? I don't understand.
Is it not the way it is done? You're getting married. Once she enters here, she'll be the one to make your food. I thought that is where people do it.
No. Edna, look, it might be the way they do it out there, okay, but certainly not in my house. What if she's a bad cook?
She won't be a bad cook.
Oh, please. Edna, I have grown fond of your personality and your food. Okay, so if my wife must cook for me, she must learn from you.
Sir, I'm honored. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you,
welcome.
Sir.
You're welcome. And enough of this, your sa thing. I've told you before. I'm tired of it already.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sir Fred. Don't worry. I'll learn how to say it well.
Alright. Better. Okay, you can...
So let me do the dishes. Oh?
No problem.
Congratulations again.
Thank you very much. Shower.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine, as you can see. I feel like a bouncing baby boy.
You're bouncing like a baby boy.
Hey.
So, what can I do for you?
I want to collect my night food.
Night food?
Yes, sir.
How? Akaka, you should be ashamed of yourself. Pity for your body. Huh?
Oh.
Do you remember the kind of food I gave you, the quantity? Large chunk with the drinks. Yet you're coming again to ask for food. Melon will get better before you go on. This stomach
I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing that you're telling me. I think as if you don't know I'm sharing the food with somebody else. I'll go and tell the guy that I don't want to give me my food.
Why are you shouting? Who are you shouting with? I'm just telling you about the dangers of eating late. You're raising your voice.
Keep it for yourself. I am good. I beg, if the food don't do, you bring them. I go come collect them.
Look at this boy. Very soon, this boy will be able to walk again. Look at the way he's walking like a masquerade. Come on. Sharam. This stomach will first.
Africa!
Sir!
Come. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Here, your salary.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I increased your salary for you a bit. Look, I'm sorry it's taking this long, okay, to get a new gateman. But not to worry. Okay, before the end of this month, I will definitely get someone who will replace you. Replace you at gate so that you can mind your houseboy duties. Okay?
No, sir. You're not supposed to be bothering now. I can do the job while you do the payment. And I see when to.
Look, it is not as in when due. Okay? It is as in when due.
As in when due.
Say as in when due. Okay, you don't kill me laughing this out. But no, okay, I am certainly getting someone who will replace you. Someone who will replace your colleague, the one that left. I need you to mind your job as houseboy while he minds the gates for me. Alright?
I'm not complaining.
Hey, enough. Not for the gate, okay? Take it or leave it. Prepare something sumptuous. Something very, very delicious that my bride will eat as soon as we return.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. Don't be angry. This trip you're making, are you returning on Saturday or on Sunday? To enable me plan what to cook.
Edna, for heaven's sake, I'm not supposed to return on Saturday. The wedding is on Saturday. So I'm coming back on Sunday. I mean, a day after the wedding.
Okay. Sorry.
Here. Have this. I mean, this should be more than enough. Okay, I needed to use this to prepare something very, very delicious. I mean, a mouth-watering meal that my bride will enjoy as soon as we return. It's very important.
For her alone?
And of course, it's not for her alone. It's for everybody. I mean, we're all celebrating. Okay? You make something that will be enough for everybody in the house. All right? Especially that that Africa of a boy. You know, he eats too much.
You just made a point. You don't think it's about time we checkmated what that Africa puts into his mouth? For Christ's sake, that boy is already obese. It's good we curtail what he eats, especially sugar. Or what diabetes. Because the way he's bloating up and getting round, now he becomes sick.
No, he's just a boy, okay? I mean, he's just a little boy.
You know how old he is.
He is just a boy, for crying out loud. So give him the benefit of the doubt. I mean, before he gets of age, all those fat, everything will just disappear.
Okay, sir.
Okay? I concur to what you said. I mean, you are right. We have to ration his food. I mean, you have to ration his food, but not starving him completely.
Oh! Sir, this is the best thing you have said now. Oh! Thank you, sir. Do you know I support that rationing of food for him, sir? By starving him before you know that boy will begin to steal. You know his eyes are sharp. But you know they're tired, kill the boy.
Edna, you're never going to stop calling me sir, are you?
Sorry, sir.
You're still calling me sir.
Oh.
Listen, Edna, you are like my auntie. Okay, and considering your age, I am not comfortable with this sir thing. I mean, come off it already.
Sorry,
please.
Sir.
Can you stop? Thank you. Please. I rather prefer you call me Fred.
Oh, sorry, sir. Mom, I'm on already. Fred, I promise I'll make something nice. She will love it.
I trust you. Alright, you take care of yourself.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Hey, the Lord is my shepherd. I'm ready.
This is you get one guy where they stay here before you do as man. My name no cool. But since where still from Maga. So all the time Maga, I manage the boat. After all, money but they come out double money.
No, now you cannot be managing the boat. You see people where they call Okoli. I'm robbers. They can thief where?
Happy.
Okoli. All the Okoli is what I know are thieves.
Hey.
I know. Yeah, but you know we tell you, let's say when they do gate man, they do house boy. That is blocking someone's success now. Let me do the gate man. Should I tell you my story? No job, street rough. Look at they do the gate man, I beg.
No, Asha, your story touched me. I go subless the job give you.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much.
Wow.
My man.
That's what I don't understand. I don't go give you the job, like I go subless of. I don't say no go school. I dey try talk say if they pay your salary, I go take my own share from it. In fact, I go collect your money on your behalf, then pay you off.
So if you collect money on my behalf, you go to do the work too on my behalf. I mean, I'm going to work, you go to collect the money.
Like you know this shows, you go leave this compound now.
How you go to? How I go to work? You go to collect salary? No,
But see they try to help you.
no, sir. No,
Go leave, bro.
no, this. No, this.
Africa! Africa!
Oh, I don't think when they shout my name like this now.
My your mother.
I'm not check now. I don't know this one.
Africa!
Okay.
So if my God come around.
Africa!
I don't come! Make sure they're around.
So you now allow strangers into this house?
Oh. See, sometimes you act as if you are my godmother or aunt or niece. Don't for me, Galadima. You already know that you're a common servant in this house.
Don't you dare insult me. I'll slap your face. You must not go to talk it. Are you mad? Are you crazy? What's wrong with you? Has to go again, Jack?
Go. Allow me.
Look at this fool. Oh. Look at this idiot. You brought a stranger into a house you don't even own. You're not even a proper servant there. And I'm cautioning you. You're opening your mouth to insult me. Don't you know that I'm old enough to be your mother?
No, it was a grandmother. But that was for enter. There you go. You stress my life.
I give you 5 minutes. Go and send that stranger away. Else I will come and send him away myself.
You cannot. If you do that, exactly.
Nene.
See, I've been respecting you in this house. But since you don't deserve my respect, I don't want to respect yourself. Okay, I'm in for anything. If you fuck up, I give you.
I'll beat you. I'll slap you. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. I'm not your mate. Don't insult me. I'll just lie you here and I'm not you are so new. You know what I mean?
See, I was doing something important before you interrupted. Let me go and finish my business.
So you're part of men. Business. You're discussing business.
I'm going for a business.
Get away! Nene, you okay?
I was discussing something serious before you interrupted.
Business partner. Guys, send the fool away. Why is this boy disrespecting me in this house? Hey! I know what to do. What can I do? Say it again and say what I'm idiot. I'll send that idiot away. Face me now.
How far now? Your madam, now who they shout your name?
No be that cook or no be even say that madam.
When I get cook.
Nah.
No wonder you add weight well. When I get cook.
So, what you got to be saying? You go stay away from our guy to come.
No problem, man.
You just even for this.
Oh boy. So how this area now? When I get light here steady?
Go now. Ha. They got like stadium. If they fuck up, then they. If we are finished and I don't get steady, I go buy another food. Inverter day. Yes, ma'am. We are 3.
Like how many times when they chop for here a day?
On a normal, they chop 3 times. But me, based on who I be, they chop 12 times a day.
They chop 12 times a day?
Yes, ma'am.
Day your body.
Have you chop 3 in the morning, chop 3 in the afternoon, chop 6 in the night, chop 3 in the night, then chop 3 midnight.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, please, there is this friend of mine that I want you to help.
You want me to help?
Yes, sir, like by giving him the gift man job.
Oh. You found someone already?
Yes, sir, he's my friend, sir.
That's beautiful. So when is this your so-called friend coming so I can assess him?
If not for assessing, I trust this guy. Even there, yes, sir.
Here?
Yes.
Okay.
Dubamu! My guy, come back home. Please, don't come back.
Good day, sir.
Good day. You are?
Dubem, sir.
Dubem. Are you sure you can do this job?
Yes, sir, I can.
Sure?
I can, sir.
I don't tolerate sleeping on duty.
I don't sleep on duty, sir. Just don't pay me for the first 1 month. Let me prove what I can do.
Alright, no problem. Tomorrow morning I'll get some documents to sign.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
need to break your I will break my hand. Shut it down.
I bought your clothes, sir.
Thank you so much. Please.
Sir, I saw this white being in this room.
My goodness.
You know who has it?
Oh my goodness! This must be Jessica's underwear.
Oh, you even know the owner?
My goodness! Thank you so much, Edna. Thank you. You found this in my room?
Where else? In your room. Down there.
I don't know what would have happened to my wife to be seized this. Ah, my goodness. Edna, thank you. Thank you so much. I am indeed grateful.
One more thing. Is there anywhere something like this is hidden or lurking anywhere so that we can sort it out and remove them?
I can't say for sure. Jessica was the only girl I had any relationship with. Although she belongs to my past now. And Jessica is a very careless person. So please, I will need you to scan everywhere. Okay, scan all the rooms, scan the sitting room to make sure that something like this don't repeat itself again.
No problem. Please. I will do that. I will search everywhere to destroy everything that has to do with your past.
Thank you.
Marriage is a new beginning, so that you begin well. So
thank you so much, Edna.
I should destroy this?
Yes, please, destroy it.
No problem.
Destroy it, please.
Okay.
And Edna, thank you. Thank you for always having my back.
You're my boss. I'll always have your back, sir.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, let me go destroy this one.
Oh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I slept well. Only say mosquito nearly finished me for night.
Mosquitoes? From where? Oh, there are no mosquitoes in this estate, okay? We could fumigate this estate regularly, so there are no mosquitoes. I wonder where that mosquito you're talking about is coming from.
Jim, you know sleeping last night too.
Why?
And I never planned, so I ordered him to leave.
You ordered him to leave?
Yes, sir.
I thought I told you he's employed already, so why don't you allow him to sleep over?
No problem, sir. Myself, I be one go there yesterday because I know say I go arrange myself. Come here early morning, so no problem.
All right, no problem. All right. Yeah.
Wait, now the time for us. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir.
No problem. Who you are trying to make this evening?
I'm making of me. I'm 50.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for the job where you give me, sir. I promise to deliver. I will work wholeheartedly. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. When next you're coming to my sitting room, make sure you dress properly. Okay, not to even worry. I will make sure I have I get a tailor to get you your uniform.
You go sew uniform for me?
Yes.
Yes, Dad.
I mean, you have to dress properly if you want to work for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Because my cabinet. I mean, my cabinet. Let me feel it and return. Sir, he can neither read nor write. What? Yes, he had his growing up mainly in the village, so you don't need to blame him.
for a young man like that, I mean, that is strange. Are you sure he can do the job?
Yes, sir. He's a vigilante in my village, and I've had good records about him. So I'm sure he can do the job.
Well, alright, no problem. But, okay, listen. I'm only employing that young man because you are standing in for him.
Thank you.
Are you sure he can do the job?
He can do it very well. Yes, sir.
Alright, fine. I'll be traveling to the village immediately. Okay, so let him start. Well, let him start right away. Okay, I want to see him at the gate as I'm leaving.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright, sir. Thank you.
Africa, thank you very much for making the search of the gate man easy for me. Okay?
I don't need to mention. Helping people is in my blood. It's in my nature. It's in my genes.
Alright. Get back to your duty post, okay? Let me see you cook. Okay?
Alright.
Alpha now. Alpha.
You go. See, you're successfully hired. In fact, you are officially hired.
Thank you, Jesus. I'm officially hired. Sorry.
What put down the template so I don't choke?
Sorry, I was excited. Sorry.
When they get there and pass me, won't give you job. See, may I tell you, never take this thing as a direct employment. Sure you understand that me bring you come. And you know say that signing when I sign inside. Once the money land, I go collect the money to give you your own.
No problem. Oh, what first?
Another thing, this instruction one I won't give you, is very important.
Yeah.
Never collect any gift or any kind from okay. Even if you don't mistakenly collect it, show me so that I can decide if you have it or not. Sure you understand?
No problem. Any other thing?
That thing we do is that you dey vex me. You won't go collect paper sign when you know say I did it.
No verse, eh? Hi. So I'm officially hired.
Don't worry, just go your duty post. Me, you know say I no be man again. Go dey take this one. Very soon they go still bring your costume.
I go follow you the job 12 times a day.
Like say no yes say only me get that opportunity.
That little boy insults me at will. He seldom stick my command. He's always saying I do not pay his salary and I do not go own this house with you.
And you're just telling me this now?
Sir, it's just pissing me off. I've been keeping it away from you because I do not want to ruin the relationship you have with him. I do not want anything to come between that.
Edna, I don't have any relationship with Akrika rather than the working relationship we have. Nothing more, nothing less. He works for me.
Okay, sir.
I mean, why would Akrika insult you? Isn't that aware that you're old enough to be his mother?
I don't know. That boy has run jam.
Edna, I will tolerate every other thing from Akrika. Is he insulting you? I will never tolerate it from him. I will handle this as soon as I come back.
No problem. Careful, sir.
You take care of the house. Okay?
Thank you very much. You know how village people are. Be careful. Oh, careful.
Daddy, yo. Moisa.
Why are you calling me daddy? Do I look like father? Hey, please, call me your guy instead. Okay?
You know, not be like that. You say, Oga, anybody where they feed anybody for this harsh economy. And the person daddy be that now. But even though you say for the fear and respect what I get for our Lord Jesus Christ. I for they call you Jesus.
Please, enough of this your comedy. Enough. Look, I'm traveling. Okay, I'm traveling to the village. Make sure you take care of the house. Okay. I'll see you when I return.
Okay, I will be here now. No worry. I'm in charge.
You can't not say that always give me poison. You can't promotion be that one.
That's your food.
You can't do that. I don't chop this. That for you. And guys, I'm payment stop and move.
I had an agreement with your Oga to ration your food. That portion you saw there, that is your new food. So that to help you shape this excess fat.
No, your fat! I don't like those. I don't like that kind of thing.
You have heart attack. People fat like this will easily have heart attack. What is
I
it?
don't like that kind of nonsense.
Who cares about what you like and what you don't like? Whether you like it or not. That is your new portion of food. And that is what you continue to eat. If you like, eat it. If you don't like it, be hungry. It's even better you're hungry so that you shake this. Look at your breast.
Fat! Look at your own belly. All they even blame you now, I got the blame. Why God carry you for this house? Well, no, say anytime when you get hungry, if you provide food, I go out and go buy food. Go carry.
See this insult.
Seriously!
Stop it. Once Oga comes back, we'll address this insult. Because I will not know how to treat likes like you.
I will give you the new Oga Gateman food.
Which Gateman?
So you don't know there's a new Gateman in the house.
I am giving you this food. This once. Next time, I won't. He will come inside and take his food. Let me go do something reasonable than wasting this my time. Carry it.
No, watch
Yeah,
see! Let's take lesson on this woman. Take lesson.
I should take lesson.
I don't like what's in this cook, baby. I don't like what's in that cook, baby. Every time when my girl was there, that cook is misbehaving. Can you imagine? Not taking it. See now. She's watching you cook for me. And for me to make up to the standard that I eat, I must cut your own journal.
Why you go cut my food now? If anyone is supposed to have more food here, it's me because I'm bigger than you.
I don't understand. So, who bring this work come? Who bring this job come? See, if you cannot obey yourself, this gate you can leave. That's how you drive the door.
Sorry, no verse. No verse. But this is unfair now. You're cutting my food and it's still intimidating me. It's unfair.
Not me, they pay you. If I may tell you, for this house, if anything comes to you, you must pass through me. I tell you, even if na water, you go, even if na food, or even if na money, you go pass through me. Only. But if person wants you to like bullet, you must not pass through me. If you go direct, go to the too much. See a food carry. See a spoon on top. How you look?
No worry. Sorry if I'm being ungrateful. No problem. Your boy is loyal. They bring my food. If they bring my food, you cut. If they bring my salary, you cut. Anything, no problem.
Like say no dey hungry.
Where do you think you're going? You disrespectful thing. Where are you going?
I wan go collect food now. Show you say no food there, so I wan come back by myself.
The one you cooked. Manager. Look at you, how you're coming with full confidence to open the kitchen I manage. When I say there is no food, there's no food for a disrespectful idiot like you, a fool. And as for ever again in this house, you will not eat.
I don't even understand you, chef. She say you don't get pride to serve me. I go take my food by myself now.
You not eat any food I prepared until you learn some respect. That's why when you go and train yourself.
That's easy for me. I should have said, now money they don't prepare.
I prepared it.
Which even that potty where they cook.
Potty? And you came for it?
I
with full energy, with that periga.
What did she do now?
She don't dare in Jabe, no talk like that. Don't talk as if you don't know anything.
I don't know what happened now.
Go outside and deal with her.
go inside and deal with her, as in.
I mean, go inside and go and beat her up now. I don't do like
That one go land me for trouble now.
Who be your guy for this house?
Now you, sir.
So do what I ask you if you still need your job.
Don't worry. In fact, she's dead.
What? You want to spoil my hair?
No, I'm so happy.
You're so happy.
I'm so happy. I'm seeing.
I'll beat you. You're seeing. I should go see you.
Finally, you're out from the business.
Yes. I am so happy to be called your. I'm happy to be called your wife.
So happy too to be called your husband.
I'm so excited. But I'm going to this
I know.
She was literally crying when I was sleeping.
Jesus.
So did you actually go inside there to deal with her?
Yes, so as you instructed, I entered there and make I deal with her. I nearly dealt with her, but along the line, she now dealt with me with food.
Eh?
No, sorry, sir. We had accident.
I can see you haven't care and respect for me again. I can now see straight. How dare you?
I'm sorry, sir, now.
No need for me shouting. Whoever my Oga come back, if you pay me your side, by most exit, you go leave here.
No, okay, please, I don't want to leave now. I've not got into that trap.
I beg you. It's too late for. I could thank you now, but I won't collect my own share from your side. Now I didn't even leave you. You're packed, huh?
Don't do this to me now.
My Oga will tell you what to do the game. I'm going to after you.
No first. Well, how I want to take big person when they feed me?
I don't talk to the top. Don't collect. Sure.
Sorry, no first. Small Oga. Big Oga don't come back. Big Oga don't come back.
How come? I didn't know what to do.
I know, he don't come back now. See him. Go open the gate. Go open the gate. Go open the gate.
Jesus Christ, no. Yeah, who be the son? I never get upset.
Drop bread and Pepsi. Open the gate. Do my job now. Not you say you don't fire me.
I'm going to do that thing. I know she say you don't know me.
I know they do anything. You should see me so. I dey vex for you. I dey vex for you seriously because I get this job through you. Make you know come they respect me again like say we be mates. They talk to me anyhow. So as you see me so no wahala. You don't fuck me. You don't sack me. Month end give me my money. Come on here. Go open the gate.
Now as you waiting, you are fired. You are fired. No worry.
I didn't get that one steady.
I'll go open the gate. No worry, balance.
I'm fired, yes. Month end pay me, make I go. Me say I don't time for this.
What are you doing here?
Understand, right? So now you be the madam when they talk. Now you be the madam. Eh? Mary Ann. When the bed wet, now you be the madam here. Hey, wonder shall how? How you take manipulate these people?
Bring your voice down.
Get down. They don't know you. Mary Ann. They don't be the kitchen worker. You put anything like my mind a bed. You know they say the bed wet. You not tell them. You, madam, here.
Oh, welcome, sir.
Fred.
Sorry, sir. Sir, I was worried sick of what you told me on the phone.
For now, she's calm. Okay, I mean the injuries were not that much, so she's stable.
Thank God about that.
Thank God.
Thank God. So how is your wife? Is she here now?
Of course, she's downstairs. I actually came up to make sure that the room is set before bringing her upstairs.
It's set. We're good to go.
Alright. I can always count on you.
Can you go?
Edna, I think it's time I start deducting your salary each time you call me sir. That way you'll be mindful.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Can I go see her?
Of course, let's go together.
I have a new wife.
Why is it like that?
I'm fine. I'm just tired.
Are you sure?
Yes, I need to rest.
Alright, I understand. Okay, I mean, after all we've been through today, so I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry about the stress.
Okay, fine.
Here. It's my friend, my dear friend, my auntie and my wonderful cook. And wonderful because indeed she's wonderful. Okay, and Edna. Yeah, it's my beloved wife. I mean, the woman that drives me crazy.
Wow! She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. Welcome, ma'am.
Ma'am? Oh, please. Don't call me ma'am, okay? You can call me Mary Ann. My name is Mary Ann.
Oh, welcome, Mary Ann, ma'am.
She's the other part. See, I keep telling you. Okay, this you're addressing me as sir, and now you're addressing me as ma'am. Come on. It's too archaic and awkward. Okay, considering the age gap. Please.
You are my boss for life, and you brought another boss woman. I'm loyal forever, ma'am. And sir.
Alright,
ma'am and boss woman.
Edna, please, stop making us laugh. How about take it inside?
Oh, welcome, ma'am.
You don't know you're supposed to be washing the car or gas back.
I will do that later, but for now, I'll just want to laugh.
Okay, go wash that car, go wash her.
Okay, I'm not will laugh again.
I don't know you go wash that car.
You see that car? I go wash them 2 times. But for now, no laugh, I want to laugh. Okay, wonders shall never end. This house is getting more interesting.
I beg you, fear too.
Why are you doing this?
I see you fear me. I want to have life and death.
You see that your dry pranks and jokes? I am not in the mood for it. Excuse me, boy.
Oh, I didn't say a matter of life and death. They call me boy. Now I get mad. He's laughing on control level. So I can make my we feel me. Yes.
Do I look like a psychiatrist to you? Please don't distract me. You can see I'm very busy. I can stay on your own, stay on your lane.
You are seriously beautiful on one side.
I'll slap you. You see all the efforts, all the insults you've been giving me. I will tell Oga. Oga will summon you. You and echo all through your body, idiot. Do I blame you? Adam Pama. Gave you one half for no. He's laughing uncontrollably. How is that my problem? You maybe want him to cry uncontrollably. Love. 1, 2, 3. Sir, you're drinking juice today. Because today is a special day.
Thank you very much, my health coach. He doesn't allow me to drink juice. So water.
Are you serious? Well, that's nice. I made this for you, ma'am.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I know you will like it, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Auntie Edna, please, can you stop this? My name is Mary Ann. Just call me Mary Ann. Stop this ma'am thing. I don't like it.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Another person is complaining. My dear, that's what I've been passing through in this house. Every day, sir. In fact, I've told her that I'll be deducting her salary each time she calls me sir or you, ma.
Better. Supported.
That way she'll be mindful of it.
Sorry, sir. I will change, sir. But you are my Oga. Oga is sir. Oga Madopo, sir.
Fred.
Okay, Fred, sir.
Get her.
Oh, jeez. Enjoy your meal. Let me take care of the kitchen.
Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, ma'am.
She seems to be a nice person.
She's more than a cook. And she's a wonderful person, a wonderful soul, I must say. She's a great confidant. I mean, someone I confide in this house. She has given me so many advice that has helped me in my business. She was one good person, I mean, one good soul that I know.
She seems to be a nice person. And I like her.
Don't worry, honey. You'll get to know more about her soon.
Oh, yeah. I'm lucky to have her in this house.
Alright. Let's eat.
But what are you trying to do? Let's pray first. Okay?
I was waiting to know if you're going to say that.
Oh, pity.
Alright, let's pray.
Thank you, Lord, for this food. Thank you for my new home.
Amen.
Thank you for my husband.
Amen.
Thank you for Auntie Edna.
Amen.
Bless this food in Jesus' name.
Amen. Were you closing your eyes?
Of course I am.
Alright, cheers to our new home, your new family.
Yes, cheers. And to Auntie Edna for this wonderful meal.
Okay. You like it? This is good. Okay.
I love it.
I told you she's good.
Listen, I don't know if it's the word that you took before going to this one that is affecting your brain. Please, I don't need you again. I don't need you. Before you bring shame and disgrace to me, I will sack you. Take your bag and go. I'm done with you. I'll pay you for the days you have won. Believe me.
You know say if not before, I go to shake, they beg you. Things don't change. Levels don't change. After what I saw in this house today, I be senior now, you be junior.
I don't understand what you see.
You don't understand now because food don't block everywhere for your body. What I try to let you know, say, No be before why I dey beg you make you know. And the next time when you go touch my bag, you see this your ear? I go come out and share them into two. Me and you go chop am.
Yeah, you know, who be your boss?
As a matter of fact, now I get 4 Apache for this.
Who be your guy for you?
Na me now.
Who be your guy?
What am I going to do? Carry this bag. Carry am, carry am, carry am and carry am. Carry am, go back. Carry am, go back. You go. Don't know say level, don't you? Carry am, go back.
Auntie Edna, thank you so much. The food was something else. Sweet. Thank you. I appreciate.
You're welcome, ma'am. But you don't need to thank me. I only did my job.
Yes, I know you did your job. Oh, you're such a humble person.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're such a sweet soul. I think I have to learn from that. Learn from you. Auntie Edna, I would like you to teach me how to cook to my husband's satisfaction. I believe you've stayed here long. And you know what he likes and what he doesn't.
Don't worry, I will gladly teach you everything you need to know. His likes, his stuff, his kind of food, how he wants it. I'll teach you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Auntie Edna, there's a young man I saw at the gate. I don't know, how long has he been working here?
It's not quite long he started working here. I will tell you, it's not up to 1 month though. I hope he has not disrespected you.
No, not at all. You know, I'm just new to the house, the family, so I want to know everybody. But that's it. All the same, thank you very much for it.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Alright.
Oga, boy, I am not happy at all.
What happened?
You don't know the gate man, this man. You know that man?
The gate man?
Yes.
Hey, that reminds me. Edna complained about you to me in this house. She complained how you've been insulting her.
I don't be Edna, I take on you.
Will you shut up? I'm talking to you.
Sorry, sir.
Do you want to still continue working here as a houseboy?
No, sir, I don't get dream to become bank manager next year. But for now, I might be houseboy first.
And be very, very careful. Africa, be very, very careful. This should be the first and last time I'll hear any complaint about you in this house. You hear me? Are you stupid? I'm talking to you, you're doing me like this. I said shut up! The next time I hear any nonsense complaint about you, you see yourself outside. You hear me?
Just like you're shouting. I'm sorry.
Now get out.
What are over?
I'm so sorry, honey. Okay? I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Alright, I was with Edna.
Really? That's okay. That's fine.
What's this awful smell?
Awful smell.
You can't perceive it.
No. Oh, no. I can't perceive anything.
This is serious. This is. Oh, I can't. It's smelling.
Nothing is smelling. Nothing.
Are you sure you can't perceive anything?
No.
Well, I guess it's my senior's illness. I'll get it treated, okay?
Yes, you have to. Ouch.
What is it? What is it?
My head. I'm having this serious headache.
Alright, come here, I understand, okay? I guess it's the stress from the long journey. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Let me just quickly get you
No, don't worry. I just need some rest.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'll be fine.
You're sure, honey?
I'm very sure.
Alright. It's okay. In that case, then I'll let you have some rest. But I was thinking before the rest, maybe we could just,
baby, not today. I'm very tired.
Mm-hmm.
Please, not today, okay?
Are you sure this one repeats itself?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Alright. You can have your rest now.
Thank you.
Where did you go to? Why you changed already?
Actually, I perceived the same smell. You know, you were complaining about one funny smell last night.
Yeah.
So when I woke up, I perceived the same smell. So I looked around, I checked everywhere, and I saw your dirty clothes. So I decided to go wash them.
What? You did what? I mean, how could you? I mean, it's too early. How could you go out to wash by this time? Look, honey, I didn't bring you to my house to have you do the laundry stuffs, okay? To have you wash clothes. I didn't. Alright? I have a laundryman who will take care of that. I mean, that's their job.
I'm sorry, I wasn't the one that washed the clothes. I gave it to the new gate man.
Dubem.
Yes, I gave it to the girl to wash.
Honey, see, I'm going to give you the contact of my laundry person. Okay? As soon as you see or feel there's anything dirty around the house that you're not comfortable with, please reach out to them immediately. You'll come and get it done. I'm not doing, okay?
Well, why you? Dubem should do the laundry now. What's he doing in this house? Just at the gate, doing nothing. He should do the laundry. He should be the one washing clothes and everything in this house.
Well, you're right. Okay, I mean, I cannot just sit there doing nothing. Right, but you have to give him yourself. Okay? I insist. It has to be every other material, but not your personal things. Please, Dubem should never wash your personal clothes.
Fine. I won't give Dubem my personal clothes.
Alright.
So what is my darling going to have for breakfast? What? Tell me. What do you want?
Come. Okay.
Listen, you don't want this food? Okay.
Anything, okay, anything. I mean, anything my queen prepares.
Okay. I'll give you something sweet. Don't worry, I'm off.
Off to?
Kitchen, of course.
So?
To show you what my magic fingers can do.
Come here.
I should come?
Come here. First. Not the kitchen.
Not the kitchen.
Yeah,
no.
Stop it! Come here before the start, okay?
Orini, yeah, Bobo.
Wahala no dey tire you. The BEM celebrity get man. Pretender now you do the voice. You dey chop and kill.
I'm saying you go punch. If you chop my food, you report me, you go still punch.
Get man, where pass oga. Even madam, they fear you so.
See what I'm going to go for Lentadia.
Spending chop money.
Oh. One good thing about big man house be say no matter the amount of trouble, you will feed well first.
Please, I want to share the patients in your C's. Have you seen the doctor? Yes, I'm just looking. Oh, okay.
Nurse, let me see the file from the patient in your bed.
Okay.
Yeah, doctor. So please, Hashi.
Our blood pressure spiked due to some complications. No, calm down, calm down. We almost lost her. But Thank God you were able to handle it well.
Ah, thank you. Thank you so much, doctor. I am grateful. Thank you. Ha! What a lifesaver you are, doctor. Thank you so much. Doctor, like I said before, do anything, okay? Anything you can do, whatsoever within your power to make sure that nothing happens to her, okay? Sorry, doctor, I have to take this call. My wife, she has been so worried as well.
No problem.
Hello, honey? Yes, I'm with the doctor right now. Yes, he said everything is under control right now. I mean, she's stable. No, honey. Look, you don't have to come. Okay, don't worry. When I come back, I will brief you properly. Okay. All right. I love you. Okay. Bye. I'm so sorry about that, doctor.
Oh, it's fine.
So, like I was saying, okay, please do anything. Okay, anything you can do to make sure that nothing happens to that little girl. Okay. As for the bills, please, I will cover the bills. I mean, money will not be a problem. Okay.
I understand you. Okay. We will do our best. All right. We care, but God cures. Okay.
Thank you.
Can I see you in my office?
Of course. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you.
I saw you having a conversation with Africa. What were you both talking about? Oh, that reminds me. I wanted to ask you a question. Yes. Please, do you have any idea if Dubem smokes? Because that was exactly what Akeka came to tell me. Yeah. I don't have any idea. I've never seen Dubem smoke. Ever since he came into this house. I don't know. I've never seen him smoke. Is that what he told you? Yes. Stop talking to that boy. That boy you see is very mischievous and very manipulative. Stop talking to him. Before he will corrupt you.
Now I know better. But please, sorry to ask again. I would like to know, how did he come to this place? How did he move here, living here with you?
You know, his father was a gardener to my master's late father. So when he passed, my master is very kind. He decided to help that little thing you see. That is why you see him moving around here. Trying to give false information here and there. No matter how little you see him there, with a stomach roundish, don't mind whatever he says. Don't trust whatever he says. Because he's passing some false information that is misleading you. Stay away from him. I'm repeating myself for emphasis, so stay away from him.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know. I'll stay away.
These oranges, are they okay or should I bring more?
I'm okay with this one. I'm very
You need to take it more so that when you go to the toilet, you should just pass. Yeah.
So how are you feeling now?
Who are you?
I am Mr. Fred, the man that brought you here.
Where is this place? I don't understand what is going on here.
This is a hospital. Okay, you were involved in a car accident.
Car accident? How?
Hey, calm down, okay, please. Do you have anyone I can call? Your parents or any of your relatives? I could just reach over the phone.
I don't have a relative. I'm alone. Yes.
What? You don't have anyone? So what are you doing? What are you doing on the road? In the city here, you don't have anyone. You don't have any parent, no guardian, nobody to reach on. How?
It's just that I don't want to go back to that place.
Please, sir, I don't want to go back to that place. I prefer to stay in the village, please.
Why? I hope all is well.
Yes. No, yes.
Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Are you okay?
Yes. No. Sir,
Can you,
please.
what's the problem? Can you tell me? You prefer to go back to the village?
Yes. Sir, please, I don't want to go back to them. Please, I beg of you.
Okay, I will see what I can do. Okay, but first, you need to recover fully. Okay? After that, we can take it off from there. Okay?
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
You're welcome. So, do you care for anything?
Thank you. Okay.
You sure?
Yes, thank you.
All right.
Here you are now. I've been looking for you all over the place. Come and take this money. Go buy me pepper down the road. Those red big ones. Agric, I'm talking to you. Agrica! Look at this boy. Are you mad?
No. I'm not in the mood now. Go and buy your thing.
Okay. I should go and buy my thing. If you don't go and buy this pepper, rest assured there will be consequences.
I really mean, that.
Okay, no problem. I will go and buy and cook the food. The rest will be history.
Wait, yeah. You money that I go buy something. I go start the hungry now. I do this thing. If not, don't force me to do it alone. Higher to report for that. That will go. Nothing come out.
So will food not come out? That's when we go. So will you die of hunger?
Why to play?
You know, since I come this house, they chop my food. Don't play me 17. 1. So today na your food and the chop.
I don't want to say what you talk. My good sir, come out first.
Nothing that they talk be saying na your food and the chop. Otilo is gone. Not the only you sabi chop person food. Relax now, give me all you. I need another hand where I go use the chop now. Who go feed you? You dey one place now?
Give that food.
Don't be the chop my food since. Na 17-1.
How am I supposed to know the gate man ate his food? He was the person that brought the gate man into the house. Whatever that went wrong between them, I don't know because it's not my concern.
You see how foolish and unreasonable you sound.
You watch your mouth, young man. That insult me. Am I your mate? You're very close up,
That
right?
is what you go just bring scenario. I don't feel intimidated to you lie, not the possible. You the young shall grow.
Young shall grow. If only the young will live long enough to be old, they'll change their wicked ways.
Okay, you won't kill me, man. That's the confession now.
What I mean is that if you keep insulting me, when the young insult the old, they will never be old.
Enough, both of you.
And
said now, enough. Enough. Please, just stop. And you, what's that your name again?
Tell her your name or not call
They ask you be me, I be you.
Auntie.
Madam, I beg, my name now.
Then, who answers that kind of name?
Akeka. It seems you're very troublesome, right?
Me? No, I was just fighting for my right.
Which right? Freedom fighter, which right? You want to eat everybody's food?
Listen, both of you. Akirika, if you are fighting for your right, I understand. If you're talking about the food issue, I understand. Auntie Edna, please. Africa deserves a plate of food in this house. For crying out loud, he is a worker here. He's living with us in this house.
Oh! Yeah! Oh!
What?
Wait.
Come and kill me and take the food.
Shut up and let me finish.
That's how you insult me every day.
Auntie Edna, please. When you cook, give Africa his food. Don't give it to someone else.
Leave her like this, I beg. I don't beg, oh. I don't look face.
Have you seen the way this boy insults me? Have you seen the way this boy insults me?
Auntie Edna,
This boy.
Auntie Edna, please just leave him. Leave him, please.
Put that for a
Oh, can you shut up before I'll beat you? You talk too much.
Is it this one that you beat?
You talk too much. This is an elderly woman. Why are you talking to her like that? I will not tolerate this rubbish in this house. I will not. Africa, better watch yourself. I will not tolerate it.
No
one. Idiot.
Auntie Edna, please. Even if it's noodles for him to eat.
Prepare noodles for who?
For him to eat.
Yes, you go there for who will make the noodles for him? This one, I will make noodles for this one. If you want to go and make noodles, make it for yourself.
You think I don't know how to make noodles? Finish. Without what you do. I don't know how to make noodles for you.
Have you heard him?
I heard him, but he's stupid.
Have you heard him? Have you heard this idiot?
Auntie Edna, please, just
You want to box me? No problem.
please, Auntie Edna.
Come and eat. I will not make anything, man. I will not make anything. Let him come and make it himself.
If not because you're here, you see, she just walk out on her madam now. It's not for you now. Hang up for don't wear.
Get out. Okay, go.
I'm hungry.
Like, seriously? Oh, this boy is something else. He's troublesome. He's very troublesome. Auntie Edna, please, you have to make the noodles for me.
She said she's having issues with the people she's living with and she wished to return to her parents in the village.
I can imagine what she's passing through in the hands of the people she's living with. For her to have said all this to you.
Honey, you needed to have seen the fear. I mean, the fear in her eyes when she was telling me all that. She even wept while pleading with me not to take her back.
Really?
For that poor girl.
Honey, what do you think? What are we going to do?
I was thinking, maybe I should just grant her a wish of taking her back to her parents in the village. But first, I need to let her have a full recovery. I mean, she needs to recover first.
Okay. So, how long is she expected to stay at the hospital?
Not too long, according to the doctor. She'll be seeing an orthopedic doctor and a psychiatrist by next week. So after that, I believe she'll be discharged.
Okay.
Okay. But honey, I was thinking, okay, I mean, while she's going through this healing process, if she could come and stay with us, I mean, give her proper care and all that. I don't know how you're going to react about it, so.
Come on, sweetheart. I have no problem with that. Yes, it's fine. She's just an innocent girl. It's fine. She can come and stay with us here. Get healed first before going to her people. I'm going to take good care of her. I promise.
Thank you so much, honey. Thank you. I'm always proud of you. You know that.
And you too.
Okay. Time to go and freshen up, okay? And now you have to take me upstairs.
I'll beat you.
No,
Don't
you
start.
have to take me
Don't
upstairs.
even start. Oh, baby. You're dressed.
Yes, I am.
Oh, you look good.
Thank you.
All right, breakfast is served.
So fast.
Yes, trust me.
All right, I'm almost done. Okay, just a minute.
Okay.
Honey,
What?
that awful smell is still there.
The smell?
Hmm?
Come on, honey. Probably it's the water that splashed on the bed last night. You know?
Oh, okay. In that case, please ask Akrika. Okay, I mean the gate man. Okay, the houseboy. Let him take out the foam and in fact take out everything and sun dry it. Okay, please.
Of course.
The smell is awful.
I'll do that.
All right. Honey,
Yes, dear.
we'll be visiting Ihoma tomorrow.
Ihoma, who is Ihoma?
Honey,
Yes.
the plantain seller girl.
Oh.
Come on, you've forgotten already.
No. Oh, poor girl.
Honey, please, we have to visit her tomorrow. I'm feeling it. Okay, it's very, very important.
Yes.
Okay.
We have to visit her. Poor girl with a terrible caregiver. I wonder when parents will start treating children that are not biologically theirs nice. This is not fair.
Honey, you can say that again. I mean, some of these so-called parents and these caregivers, they can be so annoying. I mean, so annoying sometimes.
Very.
You know what? I will make sure that I definitely hand her over to her parents myself as soon as she's ready to leave. Okay? Yes. Okay, no problem. The church wedding is just by the corner. I hope you'll not be missing.
No, Evan. You don't have to say that. I'm there with you.
Because that day, Mark, you will be championing all the preparations.
You have me.
Okay.
You have me.
All right, no problem.
So tell me, how is she? Beautiful or wait? No. With this smile on your face, I think I already know what the answer is. You were not disappointed, I guess.
Well, no. I wasn't. You know, at first I was being very skeptical. You know, I was traveling to the village. Of course, I've not seen her before.
Yeah.
But trust me, bro, when I got to the village, guy, now I truly know that my mother loves me.
Wow.
You know the why she has been saying, I love you, son, I love you, son. I was like, okay. But now, not just that she loves me, guy. My mom has eyes for spiritual things. I mean, my mom can see beyond the beauty.
Are you serious?
Mark, you need to see my wife. I mean, she's not just beautiful. She's indeed everything every responsible man would ask for.
But I told you. I told you. You know, I think I will come and meet your mother to help me look for a girl. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you, man.
Thank
And
you.
one more thing, I'll be coming to your house this weekend to behold this beauty you described to me, if it's okay with you.
Come on, Mark, of course. You know my house is always open for you. Okay? You know what? When I get home, I will tell my wife that my stubborn friend is coming over this weekend. So we can prepare for you.
Wow. Wow. See, my man, you are now using we instead of I.
What are you expecting?
Man.
Oh, I see. Perfect, Andy.
Looks good on you.
Thank you.
Looks good on you.
Thank you very much.
So tell me, how is her English? Hope she didn't behave awkward like a village girl that she is.
Nah. Not at all. I mean, far from that. Moreover, she's not a village girl. No, she's not. She has never been a village girl. You know, she told me that she has lived all her life in Abuja with her parents. Yeah. I mean, stayed there together until things fell apart. You know, I mean, things became rough for the father, so she relocated back to the village. So it's not as if she's a village girl. Besides, Mark, you know me very well now. You know, I can't settle down for a village girl. Where would I start from? I said, no. Where would I start from? Teaching her English, taking her around, showing.
That's what
I know fit. I can't.
That's what I'm asking. So, my friend, I'm so happy for you. So, cheers.
All right.
Cheers to new life and a new beginning. Congratulations, married man.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Why am I putting on this clothes? This is not what I wore today. Honey, I'm talking to you. Why the change of clothes? This is certainly not what I wore to bed. What happened?
I don't understand. I don't understand. This was the clothes you wore now.
You don't make me look stupid. Okay? I know what I wore to bed last night, and this is certainly not it. I mean, this is not what I wore to bed last night. How come? Who changed my clothes?
This was the clothes you wore now. This was the same clothes you wore last night. Are you sure you didn't take the whiskey I saw on the dining table last night?
Whiskey?
Whiskey.
Babe, you know I don't do whiskey.
Baby, please, I need to sleep. Oh, just let me be. I need to sleep, okay? Come on, let's sleep. Yes.
Alright, babe. Babe?
Oh, let me sleep now. What is it? I don't like this.
Babe, please listen, okay? My friend Mark is visiting this weekend.
Mark?
Yeah.
I know Mark. He's visiting. Okay.
Babe, he said he's visiting this weekend, and weekend is tomorrow. Okay? Mark is a friend. I mean, he's more like a brother to me. He has been supporting me all this while. Please, I need you to prepare something very special for him.
You know that won't be a problem. I can do that. So, what do you want me to prepare? What's his favorite meal? What do you want me to prepare?
Just do anything nice and special. Okay?
Okay. I'll do it. So can I sleep now? Come, let's sleep. Come to bed.
Alright, go to bed.
Thank you. Thank you. I will sleep too, yeah? Sleep. I will sleep. Hold me. Okay? I love you.
Inside the cottage. Make I show you how to.
What did I do?
Stop this thing what you do. No, they watch blue film. You too small for that thing. No, they watch porn. If you see what you they talk as you they sleep, you go confession.
What did I do?
Avoid blue film. Who could they call you?
Huh?
I'm sorry. You scared me. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry I did. Are you okay? I mean, I'm sorry I startled you, but then, what is it? What is wrong with you?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Just that I miss my people. I miss my mom.
Come here. Come. It's okay. I understand. Come on. I mean, first year in your husband's house is usually like this. Okay? New environment, new home, new everybody, I mean, new faces. So I expected this from you. Okay? My sister did the same thing when she got married. I mean, she only adjusted with time. So I expect you to do the same thing. Okay? It's alright. Especially when this beautiful, sexy, gorgeous lady here starts producing baby. I mean, starts having beautiful children. Come here.
I can't wait. I can't wait to have my kids. At least they'll stay in here with me when you leave me for work.
Okay, now someone's trying to set me up. It's alright.
No,
okay.
no.
I understand. Alright, honey, my friend Mark is coming today.
Oh, yes. I remember.
I hope you didn't forget. Alright. So I want to quickly rush out to get some drinks. I want you to prepare something very, very, very special for him. But I trust you, like your magic fingers.
I'm already on it. In fact, Edna is on it. But I'll join her soon.
Please, very important, okay? I need to supervise it.
I will.
Alright. I trust you.
Be quick. I don't want to miss you too much.
I'll see you soon. I love you, honey.
Wow.
Welcome to my home. Honey? Wow. Hey!
Darling.
Fred,
I'm home.
that's a massive one. Wow.
That's what I did. Look at your phone.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you, honey. What happened? I mean, calling at the gate and no one is opening the gate for me. I didn't even see Dubem. And again, I observed that one of my cars is not there. Why?
And actually, I sent Dubem to go buy fuel for the generator.
You sent Dubem to go buy fuel for the generator?
Yes.
Well, come on, but I use inverter at home. So what's the fuel for?
Oh, yes. Forgive me. Seriously, I forgot.
And even the fool you sent to buy the fuel knows very well that I use inverter in my house. So why, I mean, come on.
I'm sorry, I forgot. My bad, seriously.
It's okay, anyway, I'm sorry for keeping you standing, okay? My friend, Mark, the one I've been telling you about. And Mike.
Your wife.
My pretty wife. Not my wife, my pretty wife.
Oh. You look so beautiful, just as it's described.
And you appear gentle.
Oh, really?
Like you told me.
I lied, honey. That's a blatant lie.
You lie.
Excuse you.
This young man.
Mark, you're welcome to our house. Make yourself comfortable.
Yeah.
I taste the food.
Alright, honey, please. Sure. I'm starting already, okay?
Okay.
What do you want to say, my friend?
I like this one. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, welcome.
You made the right choice.
What?
You don't have a bad place here. I like your house.
Enough of what is your praise. Enough. I mean, you are not doing badly for yourself. So, you know what?
Fred.
I just can't wait for you to test the other side. I mean, my wife's food.
She can cook.
She's a wonderful cook.
What am I waiting for?
You go mad.
I'm here.
Please hurry up, okay, please. Alright, let me make it snap. Let me check off.
How much is that?
Just a minute, I'm coming.
Alright.
Where did you go? You told me you're going to be back before my husband returns.
Marianne, ask me what happened first.
Okay, fine. What happened?
Good. You know that T-junction where they refer as the name?
Which T-junction?
That T-junction where they want Waiting for that roundabout.
I know.
As I dey negotiate the right, I don't want 120. Now in this keke from nowhere, and na small damage.
Small damage.
You jam me now. Thank God I don't kill him.
You bashed the car. No problem. You have to go. You have to go and buy food. Because no, what do you expect me to tell my husband? What do you want to tell my husband?
What do you tell him? What do you tell your husband now?
I told him that I sent you to go and buy fuel.
How you could talk like that now? July they had you. Why small like he's your husband now? You know what to tell him. How you talk like go buy fuel? In fact, I get this house now.
I should lie small lie.
Lie small lie now.
I should lie small lie. Don't you know if I lie small lie, I will need another lie to cover up the lies.
How much is lie? Keep lying now.
I don't understand you at all. I don't understand you. Just go and get so you went and passed the car. Just no car for you at all. Because he's not going to allow me to drive this car again.
Will you let that happen? You're not going to allow him to do that one now. You are the wife now. Lie small lie, press small button. Everywhere will go good. Last, I'm going to go walk in car.
Okay, go walk in car. No problem. The only thing you have to do now is for you to take this keg and go and buy food. That is it.
You distress me. You distress me.
Stand up, Biko. Stress you.
You know.
Take.
No problem.
Go now.
Okay,
where do you think you're going?
I won't carry the other car now.
Are you okay? You won't carry which car? You've bashed this one. You want to carry another one?
What is the essence of having two cars? If you bash one, you carry the other one.
Please take a car and go and buy the fuel.
You won't make big boy like me use keke go buy fuel.
Oh really? You're a big boy. You didn't negotiate it when you jumped the keke. Abi? Go Biko.
See, you are stressing me. Make I use car go buy this thing.
Dubem, please go now. You know my husband has visitor inside. Don't cause trouble for me.
Because you can't get visitor.
I just discovered that the back bumper of one of my cars was damaged. I mean, I asked the gate man, he said it was you who damaged it when you drove out. How?
Babe, actually,
What?
You
know how to drive?
Yes, somehow. I know how to drive. I used to drive my father's car back then. I thought I have perfected the driving skill. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was wrong. I'm scared of telling you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's alright. I will have it fixed by tomorrow. Okay? Babe, I have also I've concluded all necessary plans in enrolling you to a driving school by next week. Okay? Especially now that this has happened, you need to perfect your driving skill. You don't need to assume. Okay? You need to perfect, you need to learn it properly. Okay? Can you?
Oh, of course, I will.
Good. I can't wait to see my beautiful wife driving out with any of my cars anytime she likes.
And I can't wait to start driving you to office everywhere.
Marco C. Shaggy.
I told you 100k, but this is 90,000 remaining 10k.
Dube, I'll sort the remaining 10,000 naira by next week.
Next week?
Yes.
Next week?
Yes.
Next week.
Next week
Don't fail.
No fail.
This is your secret where they keep for you. It dey heavy. It dey heavy me inside my body. It's not easy to carry. I am a secret box. So for that reason, you will be servicing me every now and then. Do you understand?
Yes, I will service you.
Okay.
Can I go now?
Hold on, don't be in a hurry to go. I decide when you go. Also, the key there. Your rappers are there. If you don't drive, so as you walk, carry am go inside.
Okay. Can I go now?
You can go now.
Thank you.
Come back here, madam. Make you no fail me next week. Else I will increase your amount.
I will not pay.
Go.
The baby celebrity get man. Ibu bakari agar. The
You
baby celebrity get man.
how many did
Ibu kwa mawa bia. Spending chop money. Manya jego deli. Akuna takasi number. Okay, one is your. Ahmadi kendi boje. Celebrity get man.
Where is going with this man? He's right here, my nose. Babe.
Want me to break that news? I know you don't have respect. But must you also behave in a very stupid manner like you're doing now? I asked because I did not see anybody at the gate and you're being stupid.
Shall only the baby no see. Shall you see on that big jeep? Shall you see am too?
Wait. Where is the jeep? Who took it? Talk to me now, who took it? If you see that thing close to me, I'll slap you.
Come to road, na my.
Hey!
Hey, Ma, how dare you barge into my room like that?
Ma, I'm sorry. What I'm about to tell you requires your urgent attention.
What is it?
I just came back and discovered that Oga's big jeep is missing. And when I made inquiry, they said the gate man went out with it. Hey! Big car like that. Just took it out.
Is that all?
Yes, that is all.
Well, I sent him on an errand with the vehicle.
But madam,
I'm what? I don't get it until now. Are you trying to question my actions?
No, ma. Just that, you know, young people of these days, before you go and bash the car, you doesn't have any value because you didn't buy the car. You don't have any value attached to the car.
I've heard you. But next time, don't barge into my room like that.
Okay, ma. I'm sorry, ma.
Go. Did you blame you're talking about is your gate man, right?
So?
You trusted him, that's why you employed him, right?
So? Who's talking about trust here? Honey, I am not talking about trust. Of course I trust him, that's why I employed him. But come on. I employed him as a gate man, not as a driver.
Then get me a driver. Get me a driver that will be driving me around. Besides, I've been meaning to ask Dubem to take me on an extra driving lessons. Whenever I return from driving school. Yes, it can help me to learn fast.
How can you ask Dubem to take you on an extra driving lessons? How? I don't even know his driving capability.
Dubem we are talking about knows how to drive. He has been the one driving your cars. And never for once he has crashed it. I've been sending him errands with your cars.
Alright. I understand. I do.
Okay, fine. If you don't want me to send him again, if you don't want him to drive your cars, no problem. I'm not going to ask him to drive it or send him anywhere.
It's okay, honey. It's alright. I mean, enough of this Dubai car and everything. Enough of it. I mean, I've stretched it long enough. So, look, you can send him to anywhere, okay? As long as you're happy with it. I mean, as long as you're okay. Alright?
Okay.
Now I'm back home, so I need all the time I can get with my
You're always
woman.
needing all the time. Stop it. Tell me, how was your day?
Well, it was filled with drops here and there.
I know.
Okay.
I'm here
But I
to
missed
take
you.
I'm here to take care of you, don't worry.
You
missed me?
I missed you.
I missed you too.
Come on.
Wait, what did they bring this to finish?
I don't understand.
What did you say you don't understand? Why you know if you serve me for breakable plates? Why they put my food for rubber? I be dog.
As organ. Do you know I saw you? I stepped out to buy something and I saw you cruising that car. Hey, what wrong? That's why you're asking for breakable plates.
Your problem is old age. But I have solution. Go to the hospital. Tell them to give you medicated eyeglass. So that you're gonna see now, because I don't know who you see. Say you see me for Ogaka. Secondly, if you must serve me, use breakable plates. Else, stop serving me.
Did you buy any?
Stop serving me. I will not starve.
See your food. See your food. If you like it.
Carry this food. Carry it too. Breakable plate or nothing.
As organ.
I see you and your husband. I saw you and your husband. I don't know. But I see two of them. My body teller, they tell me, say, na me una they talk about.
Me?
No, your shadow.
No, I wasn't talking about
Marianne, listen, no. If your husband sack me, I go cast you. I will expose you. I go expose you, Woto.
There's no way he can sack you. Why would I want you sacked? Eh?
I keep your secret, oh. Keep my own, oh. Make them. If I lose this job, you go even appear for paper. Internet, they learn.
Please.
I go even do. You see, I go cast you.
Babe, stop all these things now. Why are you threatening me? Stop all these things you're doing. Stop it. I'm trying too. I'm trying.
I'm not threatening you. I'm just telling you.
But you have to do something for me, oh. You have to limit the way you go around with my husband's car, even carrying your friends inside. Limit it. The day he's going to catch you, I'll not guarantee you your safety. I'll not guarantee your safety. Stop it.
No problem. I will work on that. Meanwhile, I will need like 1 million naira this weekend.
1 million what?
Naira, no be dollar. 1 million naira.
Where do you expect me to get that kind of money from?
You dey whine me. Is your husband not a multi-millionaire?
Hey!
Why is the woman in you? Press 1 or 2 buttons. You know he's soft spot now. Touch him and collect 1 million naira for me. We get doings by weekend.
1 million naira is too much, please. It's too much. I cannot do it too.
Consider the secret I'm harboring for you. The secret is heavy. And each time I'm broke, my body will be telling me, cast her, say the truth, and the truth shall set you free. So be careful.
You cannot do this to me, oh. You cannot do this to me. This threat, you have to stop it, oh. You cannot do this to me, Dubem. Just... Where will I get 1 million naira from?
In love, open up to him.
Your uncle.
Go, brother. Bring that one, make I tell you.
You see this money? You can only smell it, but you can never touch it.
We had an agreement now.
Now that agreement go kill you there. Nonsense. Which your agreement? As you small rich, you don't become politician. Baby politician. You want the chop from my salary. Now me and you do the work.
But now we bring you inside this compound. Now we had an agreement.
You bring me come this compound. We had an agreement. Me, I don't terminate that agreement. You too small to do that kind of thing. Why going to chop my salary?
What I tell you, say no one. I go still sack you.
Come up for here. Come up for here. You know if it sack me.
Yeah.
Who pay me salary now, man? No, Oga pay me. And Oga don't love me past you.
No, Oga don't love you.
Oga don't love me well. You see that this way you do?
That first, I go put you for bag. Carry you go through away or take you and blue. Nothing go happen. Nobody go, the world not gonna say something lost. Baby politician.
No, you no.
Come. You be politician. You be politician. As you small rich, you want the job from my salary. You know they do small for this thing what you do. Huh? Baby politician. Come on for here.
My shirt.
Ihoma. Wow. Such a beautiful name for a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
So tell me, how old are you?
I'm 13 years.
13.
Yes.
And you're hawking. What a pity.
You can imagine how wicked some people can be. Such a tender age and she's already hawking on a major road.
Seriously?
I mean, this innocent girl should be in school by now.
Of course.
You know, I feel like getting those people arrested. I mean, this is wickedness.
Sir, please. I beg of you. I prefer to stay in the village than to stay with them. Please, sir. Please.
It's okay.
Alright, no problem. This is my wife, Marianne. Okay. We actually came to discuss with the doctor, okay, so as to know when you'll be discharged. I mean, how long you're supposed to stay in the hospital. Okay, my wife is actually suggesting that you stay with us, you stay in my house, okay, while you go through the healing process. So as soon as you recover fully, I will take you to your parents in the village. But first, I will have to see those idiots, those useless people that you were staying with.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's okay. Listen, I promise you, you'll be fine. I am going to take good care of you, okay? I am going to make sure that I take good care of you, make it up to you for the pains we've caused you. It's a promise, okay?
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Please, can you lock the door? Lock the door, please.
Am I safe? So I say along the door. I hope all is well. I'll pass you, Sha. What did happen?
You? Don't I know you?
You know me now. Now maybe CSO for gate here. The last time when you come, let me open gate for you. Where you and my other day they drink.
No. That's not what I mean. I know you. As a matter of fact, you are the person I saw at Dino's clubhouse.
Dino's clubhouse. Mary Judala for Wegawa Club. Sorry, sir, not be me. You are mistaking me for someone else, or you are mistaking someone else for me. I know they go club. If you see me, the only time where I go club now for my dream. Yes, by the dream I see where the ball with big boys for club. But if I wake up, I go rest. Don't be me. You know about the reserve water for there? Who will pay?
Ali?
Yes, sir.
I guess I'm wrong. So, what of your guy?
Oga come out very early in the morning. He say he get business meeting for office. So he come out early.
Then I'll meet him at the office then.
Anything for the boys?
Some other time.
Alright, sir. How do I look? Am I hot? What am I hot?
What's the meaning of this?
This is all money can do.
Are you kidding me? If my husband sees you this way, He will kill you.
Calm down, your husband, you know, day. I know what they do now. Open na hot.
What about the cook? The cook will tell him just
cooking. If I punch that cook, the cook should mind her business. Tell me now, I hope I'm hotting now. What na hot? Check me out now. See, I want to ball out like this. We get party. And I want to step in there based on showstop Momo. New Naira notes Momo. Oh, so tell me now, I hope I'm hotting.
Yes, you're hot.
What na hot?
Yes, you look very good. Can you go now, please?
Coming from you.
Just go.
Nice. I wanna. Let's go and do the
But what about my wrappers? The one of last night? Have you taken care of them?
I don't run now.
You don't run now.
Hey, that one I got you now. Don't worry, I got you. 100% I got you. Chop knuckle. Chop knuckle. Bullish green.
The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibu Bakariaga. The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibu Kwamwa Bia. Spending chop money. Manya Jego Deli. Ibu Bakariaga. Akuna Takasi number.
See, Fred, I could swear that the young man I met at the club was the same man I saw at your gate that I came to your house.
You know, Mark, if not that I know you very well, I know you too well, I would have said you're now a stand-up comedian. Because of course you're you're cracking me up. What is the link? What is the connect? A gate man and a clubhouse. What is the connection? Do you know how much I paid the bill? Do you know how much it takes as a salary? Come on, where would you say the money is going to club with according to you? Balling in club. This young man works for me, okay? He's my gate man. He works for me Monday to Sunday, morning to night. He doesn't run a shift. Okay, he's always at home. He's always in my house. So come on. If at all he has any time at all, it's probably when he's running around with my wife. So where is the time to go to club and all the balling you're talking about? Where is the money? Not when person eat, you will see money to ball.
Fred, I understand what you're saying. It's just that the striking resemblance is what is confusing me. Moreover, that is the kind of client that you need. I wish you met that young man.
What did he say the young man was doing again? Was spending money?
He was not spending money. That guy was balling. As a matter of fact, he shut down the club. I'm telling you. You need to see that man. I'm wondering why you stopped going to club. Huh?
Mark, we shouldn't go about this again. Okay, look. I have told you before, I am now a married man, okay? And as such, I should live a responsible life. Better.
You're a hustler, a businessman, Fred. And the kind of business you do requires you to seek people at any way, at any point in time, including club. Okay? So I think you should make out time once in a while, at least to go to club. Think about it. That is where you can meet the kind of client that you are looking for.
Well, I think you have a point. I think you're right there.
Yeah.
Maybe one of these days I'll just make a time, for us to go to club.
Very important.
But that will be after discussing with my wife, okay? Because of course, I owe her the obligation of telling her every of my movements.
Child, married man. No, oppress me now. Rub it on my face. Or tell me, Mark, you can't get married. No, now. Because every little thing, married man, I need to tell my wife. I need to seek permission from my wife. No, tell me now, I shouldn't get married.
Of course you should go and get married. Why are you waiting for me to say it? You should go and get married.
I only told you 2 years from now. But you need to see that guy. You need to see that guy has money. The guy has excess doings.
Africa, I called you here to let you know that I believe what you told me. I believe what you told me about being a cultist.
Oh, you believe?
Yes.
Thank God. I'm glad you believe now.
I believe because I've been having these strange dreams. Very strange, Joe. And even a prophet told me that Dubem is a cultist, that I should chase him out of my house.
That prophet may fall now. In fact, I'm in support of it.
But there is a problem.
What's the problem?
You know Dubem is a very strong man. Chasing Dubem out of this house is not going to be that easy.
I don't understand. You be madam now. Everybody wants to chase out. The person go want.
It won't be that easy because of my husband. It won't be that easy.
So, what should we do?
What we should do now is up to us. Both of us. Me, you. Me and
No,
you.
that's an us.
Yes. What I'm trying to say is we have to kill him. Stop shouting.
Kill?
Yes. Wait now. He's a strong person. We can't just chase him out of this house. We have to destroy him. We have to kill him.
I mean like murder.
Yes, like killing. Killing. Don't worry, just go and think about it.
Yeah?
You
know, Dubem is a smart guy. Yes. I'll tell him to try. He can help us and think about it.
Are you stupid?
It will be very easy.
You're mad. Which one is telling Dubem? Are you stupid? I say you just go. Go and think about it. Yeah? Just you alone. Don't tell Dubem, no. Don't tell Dubem. Hi! What kind of useless boy is this? Are you sure I made the right decision?
Don't see you, and she must talk. If you're doing something, it takes that nobody sees you. Then don't see you. She don't get respect for you.
There's no extra left in the pot. So keep your extra stomach to yourself.
I'm not talking about food now. It's not every time I'll be talking about food. I'm here for serious business.
I am not in the mood for any discussion. I am very busy.
Wait now. Calm down. I won't ask you a question.
What is it?
You don't keep a simple. Just let him come out.
It didn't come out well. Do you want to kill?
No, I mean, you get anything if you make good person suddenly turn evil and won't keep
Nothing should make a good person suddenly turn bad and want to kill somebody. Except that person has been bad from the beginning. Nothing should make you think of killing anybody, no matter the provocation. Stay away from that thought, oh. Look at this.
Thank you.
What are you up to?
I'm not telling you, that's all I need to hear. Thank you.
I'm dwelling in the secret place of God. This man.
What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Eh?
I don't understand, ma.
You don't understand. So you went to seek advice from the cook. You think she's not going to tell me?
No, ma, I was confused, so I needed clarification.
No, you needed clarification. Clarification on what? It's not that he's even a good man. He's not even a good man. We're getting rid of a bad man. And you need clarification.
Sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. So no, you want to tell me you want that dream you had That dream, seeing him killing you in the dream, you want it to come to pass.
God forbid. I'm the only son of my late parents.
You don't want to die. You don't want to die up, yeah? Then do the needful. Do the needful. If not, you die.
I'll do it.
You do it. It's not like I'm even begging.
I'll
I'm not even begging.
I'll do it.
You do it. You said he likes Melinda, right?
Yes. You like Melinda?
Give this to him. Give him this. If I slap you, you want to open it. You know you like food. You like food. But you don't have to like this one. This one is not your food. This food is for Dubé. I repeat, this is not for you. This is for Dubé. What did I say? This is for Dubé. Don't drink it. Give it to Dubé to drink. Or you go.
This my life.
Oh, your phone fine.
You know Sabi greet again, Abi?
I don't know. Good evening. At the family.
You know say your mouth know the day one place. If you like, go report me to Ogan, madam. Say I get big phone. I carry go me. Nothing go happen.
No, we know be reporting mood that day now. Now begging mood. I can't make peace with you. Say I did sorry. I did stupid and greedy those days. So now I won't come beg me to give.
Now you won't apologize, make peace. You with my guy where I love and respect. Because you link me up, I get job. You won't begin from Don Jazzy for my head. Small time they form Oga.
Now I say no vex.
Oh Allah now. You say you know my person, I appreciate you. Let bygone be bad. This if I appreciate say you carry me come here.
I bring something.
Alright.
No, I really if you not say I don't clear for you.
Oh Allah, everywhere good. See, I don't forgive you, I will still show you love.
Don't drink that thing.
Why? What's happened?
Because if you keep secret.
Secret?
Yeah.
I know.
You might tell something.
So it has gotten to this point. Huh? I mean you won't kill me. No, you won't kill me.
Please bring your voice down. My husband is in the bedroom. Please.
I take concern me.
Don't worry, I'm going to talk. I'm going to talk. Yes, darling. It's the gate man. He came to make a delivery. I sent him somewhere. Baby! Oh, my love.
What's all the noise for?
It's your stupid gate man. I asked him to go buy me a recharge card. I gave him 2,000 naira to go buy me a recharge card. He said, "Oh, get it there." He heard gunshot. He ran away and threw away my 2,000 naira. I don't understand.
You sent the gate man to go buy you what?
Yes.
To go buy a recharge card?
Yes.
You're so funny.
How?
I mean, this is 21st century. This is the jet age and you're still buying recharge card. When you can easily do a top up with your phone. You can buy online.
Hi, my love. Seriously. I forgot. I don't even know what I was thinking. I don't know. Can you imagine? I have my phone. I have everything. I have... This stupid boy. Do you know I gave him another 2,000 naira? Yes. To buy me another one. To buy me a recharge card. Let me quickly go and collect it.
Okay.
I'm coming. I'll be with you soon.
You evil woman.
Sorry. Now me you won't kill.
No.
Now me you won't kill.
No.
Let me go first meet guy.
Sorry. I'm sorry, I promise. I didn't know what came over me. I'm not like this.
Sorry for your miserable self. You think so I can get evil mind like you? Me, now me you won't kill. You never see something. You never see something. For this thing what you do, I swear you go suffer till your last day on earth. Stop! Let me tell you that for. Listen real good. Before the week runs out, I need 3 million naira. 3 million naira. I don't care how you will raise it. Else, I swear, I will not only expose you, I will tell your husband everything and also show him the poisoned drink.
I'm sorry.
You want to kill me? You! 1 week! I don't care how you raise that money. After 1 week, in fact, you go there internet.
I'm sorry, please. Give me the naira. Chimo. Give me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Honey, there's something I want to get.
What is it?
Are you having any problem with this little boy?
Can you hear yourself? Me having a problem with a little boy. What's my business with him? I have no business with him. The only thing I said, he should move out of the room.
Honey, because I don't understand this your mood. I mean, the anger, the tone at which you're talking about moving these things. Come on, what do you have with this little boy?
No, what are you even saying? What are you saying? What is this boy doing in this house? Absolutely nothing. Nothing. He should move his things out of that room, please.
Alright, no problem. I'll see you when I come back from work. Okay. Love you.
Love you too.
Are you?
Bye.
Snap out of that mood. I wanted to have a word with you before I leave. Thank God you're here. A little girl will be coming to live with us. Okay? I mean, she'll be coming to spend some days here with us. Okay? So I asked Auntie Edna to move your things from your room to another room. I hope you don't mind.
Yes, sir, I don't mind nothing.
Okay. I just thought I should tell you. Okay?
I want to show you something.
You want to show me something?
Yes.
What is that?
Hold on, I will bring her.
What nonsense is this? My God! Urine! Who urinated on this wrapper?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, maybe not rich get man.
Who dumped them?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Who dumped the wrappers? You're saying you don't know?
Maybe the celebrity get man now.
Who are you calling celebrity get man in my house?
To be get man all they use iPhone 13. Now get man do that.
What called to pay for me?
Okay, sir.
Fast! Call to pay for me! What nonsense is this?
I sent him on an errand.
You did what?
I sent him some.
Honey, can you imagine? Look at this. Is this not my bed sheet and your wrappers?
Oh my goodness.
The worst of it all is that they are even smelling urine.
Urine! Akrika, what did you do with the bedsheet I asked you to give to Dubem to wash for me when he returns?
Ask me. You don't give me any bedsheet though.
What?
Are you calling me a liar? No, Akrika, are you calling me a liar?
No.
So I gave you bedsheet to give to Dubem to wash for me and you had the guts to pee on it?
I don't pee on it. Oh my goodness.
Will you shut up? How dare you? How dare you call my wife a liar? You stupid.
I'm not gonna lie.
You know what? I've had enough of this your nonsense attitude in this house. In fact, this is the peak of it. I won't take this nonsense anymore from you. I don't want to see you anywhere in my house again. You hear me? I don't want to see you when I return. Pack your things and get out. Don't let me see you here when I return. Nonsense.
Please. Hey.
Young man, you heard him. He said you should leave. So, vamos. Stand up! Go out!
In love, open up to him. In love,
I should have known who you are. Thanks for deceiving me. I'm having pity on my boss who haven't seen the real you. I'd rather leave this house than to turn to a murderer for you. I cannot kill you. I know you're hiding some things. I know your mission in this house. But I pray God exposes you soon before you hurt someone.
Get out. Get out!
I'll leave.
I say out of my house. Get out.
I
said shut up! Leave my house. It's yours. Rubbish. Get out.
You know no boss no mad to me. You go they put mouth for matter where tongue pass you. You know say they only put mouth for husband and wife matter because they go use you settle in the end. Man, they don't psych you. You will like food. How you want to survive?
I beg, I won't make you know say that woman too wicked. She wicked die.
That was an old story now. I know. That woman is wicked and evil at the same time. And they avoid her.
Wow. I beg. If you had me advice Oga on how in wife did, if you do that one, I will do alright anyway.
And then your advice not really you. Talk more of me advising Oga. That will not concern you. I don't give you that kind of advice. My concern is say how you want to survive now. You will like food. You don't get food. The kind of food where they get here. Most you know everywhere you cook. Sorry, yeah?
Bye bye.
But you don't chop today.
I don't chop.
What do you going to chop?
I want to chop noodles.
Well,
Babe, open the gate. My friend, open the gate. Are you deaf? Jesus. Are you sleeping?
Yes.
Where were you last night? Huh? Where were you last night?
Last night, okay? I think you're all true.
Are you crazy? Are you saying I'm lying?
No, it's not like you're lying, sir. Were you here last night?
Yes, I came out here at 2 a.m. I didn't see you. I initially heard noise at the gate. I came out to see things for myself and you were nowhere to be found.
Okay, maybe it was that time that the police came and interrogated me. You know, say they robbed for this estate yesterday.
What?
They robbed now. Look, small gunshot. You know, hear them?
I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear any noise, any gunshot.
Okay, they robbed some people last night around that kind of midnight. So police came, called me, asked me some few questions, interrogated me. We went to the scene and came back. They said they will come back later. Yes, now.
How come I didn't hear any? In that case, please make sure this gate is always locked. I mean, locked 24 hours.
I'm at your service, sir. That thing will happen for night. We took almost 2 hours. That's why this morning now I'm having migraine plus.
I'm so sorry about your health, okay? Open the gate for me.
Okay.
Hey. You can go back to sleep, but do that for just 3 hours. I don't want anybody looking for you.
Thank you, sir. We are together, sir.
Fred, you don't think she's having an affair?
I don't know. I don't know. I just feel there's something off about her attitude. I don't just know. I believe she's not being honest with me.
But the truth of the matter is that your wife doesn't look like someone who is having an affair outside her marriage.
And who is talking about my wife cheating? Of course I know my wife is not having an affair with anybody. I am just bothered that something is not right. Something is not just right, but I just can't place it.
Okay, fine. Did you try talking to your cook? I remember you told me both of you are friends. Maybe she has something to tell you.
That's what baffles me. I mean, yes, we are friends, and she practically tells me everything. But I am surprised she has not told me anything about my wife.
If she have not told you anything about your wife, when she practically tells you everything that happened in the house, does it mean that she's keeping something about your wife away from you?
You know, Mark, I don't know. I mean, I don't even know what to think anymore. Because the more I think, the more confused I become.
Then you should stop thinking. Oh yes, maybe it's not something to be worried about. Okay, maybe you are just being worked up over some irrelevant issues. Okay, you just have to stay positive. Probably she may be going through a lot, you know, women now. Maybe she's having some things. Probably she's in that situation where she wants to be alone for a while. You know, all you need to do is just give her time. She'll still come around. Okay? So you have to chill out. Are you going to go this evening?
You know, the last time I checked, you don't know, man. I'm saying something that's bothering me. Talking about call. Are you okay?
I just want to cheer you up.
Oh, okay.
Go and carry your food inside.
I no send you. No, they give me food again. See, I get trust issues with you. And they see you like person who won't poison me. I'm not gonna eat your food again.
Do you know I saw that bed sheet with you? I made Oga to sack Akrika.
So what will you do? It's either you mind your business or you go tell Oga. Whichever way, I no send you. I don't care.
Demon, why are you like this? Why are you being this secretive? I will come to the gate to see you as a gate man on his duty post. I will not see you. You'll be out there cruising on Oga's expensive cars. Yet I will ignore you. I will not say anything over it. I will keep quiet. Why?
Are you the supervisor? Did Oga ask you to investigate crime in this house? Your duty is to cook. So stay there. And for your information, I've told you, stop feeding me. Stop bringing me food. I can survive without your food in this house. Because I have lost trust in you.
Why are you causing trouble here? Why are you making this house very unconducive for people to stay in? Why? I am appealing to you. In God's name, don't cause trouble. My Oga, I know him even from childhood. He doesn't like trouble. He doesn't make trouble. He's a very peaceful person. Instead of you to come here to make trouble and cause problems for my Oga, do the honorable thing and resign. The honorable thing for you to do is to honorably resign and leave us in peace. Yes! Oh no, go away.
What are you feeling like?
Like the chief cook.
Oga's mother. Let me remind you, not be you born Oga, you be ordinary cook for this house. Ordinary cook. So mind your business. Focus on your kitchen.
Where is the smell of Indian hemp coming from?
Oh.
I can perceive the smell of Indian hemp.
At this your age, you don't worry me for here. Come on for here now. What I'm saying they perceive Indian hemp.
Were you smoking it before?
See, I Apurotoku.
You're home now.
You're welcome.
Edna.
Welcome.
Thank you. Ihoma, meet Edna, our cook. Okay. She's also a big auntie in the house.
Yes, sir.
Edna, here it's Ihoma, the little girl I told you about.
Wow! Hello, little girl. How are you?
Hi, it's nice to meet you, Ma.
The pleasure is mine too. She sounds so smart.
Yes.
And intelligent.
Very.
Yeah, very smart. Edna, like I told you, she'll be staying here with us until she makes full recovery.
Okay.
Okay. So, you will take her to her room, prepare something nice for her to eat.
And I'll be taking good care of her, I promise.
Don't worry, Homa. You see this house? I want you to take this house as your second home. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Auntie Edna, please can you get her something to eat?
I will. Come, let me take you to your room.
Take her to her room.
Come. Come here.
Honey,
Yes.
I was thinking of getting her something to drink while she prepares the meal.
Something to drink.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you should get her something like Lucozade.
Mm.
That won't be bad.
That's perfect. Let me quickly ask Dubem to get it for her. Okay? I'm coming.
Okay.
Dubem! Please hurry up, come. Please, hurry up to that supermarket and get me Lucozade boost.
Okay, sir.
Okay, hurry up, please.
1 or 2, sir.
2. Wait, come. What's this this smell? What's the smell I'm perceiving?
Smell. Which smell?
Wait. Is this not the smell of India hemp? Dubem, do you smoke?
God forbid.
Dubem, do you smoke in my compound?
Me smoke. I'm allergic and I hate them. I can't smoke, sir.
Then what is this I'm perceiving?
Hey, okay. You know, say, I say my mind my business, but as you don't ask, make I talk. You see this, our neighbor? The new gate man na chain smoker. Igbo headquarter. Morning, afternoon, night. Tower. You see this, Uncle? The workers were there here. Another segment of problem. You go see one person, you go there for decade. The other one go there for good. The other one go there. They are all smokers.
Then why did you tell me all this one?
I say make I mind my business.
As for Mr. Carlo, I will talk to him. Is that he fires that gate man or he gets, he talks to him? I can't tolerate this nonsense. Imagine getting a visitor into my house and you are perceiving all this India hemp smell.
Okay, you are too fresh for this. Forget those people, they can be dangerous.
Okay, so these workers, please, whenever you see them smoking, call my attention. I can't tolerate this anymore.
I nearly beat that gate man. I warned him. I say, this thing is not good for your health. Okay, if you must smoke, say you are addicted, go far away, maybe near bush, not around here. He said, okay, not
please.
So, Lucozade boost, 1 or 2.
Are you deaf?
Okay, bye, I go now.
But come on, get going! What nonsense is that?
Sorry.
Dummy. Hey! Don't keep me waiting.
I don't know if you will have time to listen to what I'm about to tell you.
Come on, Auntie Edna, what is it?
See that Dubem boy? He smokes. You know the other time you asked me if he smokes, I told you I don't know. I even defended him. He smokes.
So you're just finding out now?
When I got to his side, it was oozing of Indian hemp. I perceived it. I mean, he smokes.
You got to his side. So, how sure are you he's the one smoking?
Are there two people living there? I am sure. Not talking like this. When I got there, even though I didn't catch him red-handed, probably he must have thrown it away when immediately he noticed I was coming. Because that place was filled with stench of Indian hemp. And then before he would be mad and slaughter us in this house. And you know, dear, what you know, dear?
But Auntie Edna, you just said there is no proof. You didn't say him. That means you're not sure. Yes, there is no proof that he was the one smoking. Come to think of it, you know the kind of job he's doing. He's a gate man, for crying out loud. Yes, that justifies him smoking. He may need to get high to effectively do his job.
Why are you talking like this? Why is it that you don't see anything wrong whatever that boy does? Did he pay you to always defend him or be on his side? Eh?
Auntie Edna, did you just raise your voice at me?
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, what are you doing here? I thought you were supposed to be at the gate house. What business do you have with the main building?
Are you talking to me?
Of course, yes.
When I say don't get respected, if not that you're my niece, I'll give you the slap of yourself.
Oh, now I'm now your niece. I thought you said I should treat you like a stranger. So you have no business coming in here to take a drink.
I don't blame you. Your mates are sleeping. Go upstairs and sleep.
I don't want to sleep. You cannot force me to sleep. Besides, when Oka comes back, I'm going to tell him he took his drink.
Eh? That means I will break your ankle.
My ankle?
You will hear today.
Okay.
Look at the type of hair she's carrying.
The baby celebrity gets man. Ibuba Kariaga. The baby celebrity gets man. Ibu kwa beer. Spending chop money. Celebrity gets man. Onye jego daily. Ibuba Kariaga. Akuna takasi number. Celebrity gets man. Okay, one is your Ibuba Kariaga. Ahmadi kendi boje. Celebrity gets man. Duski lala. Ibuba Kariaga. Chop money, spend money. Celebrity gets man. Onye jego daily. Ibuba Kariaga.
What is that? And you see that uncle at the gate, he's very unfriendly. I don't like him.
Did he say anything to you?
He did not say anything to me, just that I don't like the way he behaves.
I don't like him either. So we both do not like him. Try to avoid him, okay?
Yes, he's a very bad man.
Why did you say that? Do you know him before?
No, it's just that I've seen someone like him in a movie and the person acts very evil and wicked.
He's not an actor. He's just a gate man. I got what you're saying. Just don't mind him, okay?
Okay.
Do you ever want to go back to school someday?
Yes, of course. That's always been my prayer to get back to school. Like, I've always been praying because I've missed a lot of classes.
Consider that prayers answered. I will ensure you go back to school, at least to secure your future.
Oh my God, Auntie, thank you so much. God bless you.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you, God.
Come here.
Thank you so much.
You're darling.
it? What's wrong with you? Hmm?
I don't please Andrew.
Oh, please Andrew. What kind of dream is that? Hmm?
It's okay. It's alright. I mean, it's nothing to worry yourself about, okay? Let's get back to sleep. Let's go back to sleep.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay.
Oh, Fred, my God.
But what is funny? I mean, why are you making fun? Mama, please stop this.
See, I'm sorry. It's just that I can't stop imagining you on a gate man outfit.
You need to have seen me. I wish you could see me. I mean, I was looking so pathetic on that uniform in my own house.
Really?
I'm telling you. I mean, the one that even got me so bothered was he was seated here. He was sitting on my seat, giving me instructions as my new CEO. That's what's so funny. Why are you making entertainment out of this now? Why are you laughing?
So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, just that the dream is funny. Eh? This guy.
Look, the one that really got me bothered was I saw this young man knacking my wife.
Your wife?
He was making love to my wife! But this your laughter is beginning to piss me off. What is all this now? Why are you
laughing? Fred, you are funny. Don't you expect me to cry? The dream is funny. The truth of the matter is that you are taking this whole thing serious. It's just a dream. Eh? It's just a common dream. Come on, forget about it.
Look, I am scared of this guy. Okay, I'm scared of him. Don't you think it's high time I sacked him? Okay, no, it's high time I sacked him. But do you think he's having an affair with my wife?
Do you? Oh, come on. Can you hear yourself? No, are you not yourself the dreamer? Because you had a dream that it was your CEO sitting in your office. I was knocking your wife, you want to sack your gate man. It doesn't make sense now. Eh? Like I said, they don't allow it to get on you. It's just a dream. Eh? That you had a dream this guy was knocking your wife. When you woke up, was he on top of your wife? No, did you see him on top of your wife? The answer is no. It's just a mere dream. Okay?
So Mark, what you're trying to say is that I shouldn't be bothered about the dream?
Unless you want to give yourself a headache. It shouldn't bother you. Or do you want to tell me you don't trust your wife? Listen now.
To take drinks, and I've also seen him smoking. You mean the gate man? Yes. Oh. Okay. Coming into this house to take drinks. He's an adult. He can come into this house, take drinks, okay? There's nothing wrong with that.
Ma, you're a very kind woman, but you're very careless.
Kind. Yes. Careless. Are you not being disrespectful?
I didn't mean to say that. Just that
You barely know him and you're allowing him to come too close into this family. Ihoma, listen, my dear. This life isn't that hard the way you look at it. No. The reason for cares is lack of care, togetherness and support. We don't care for strangers, forgetting that we may need their help tomorrow. And how would you feel if they treat us as strangers the same way we treat them? Take yourself as an example. If my husband and I didn't take a chance on you, we wouldn't have brought you to our home because you are a stranger. But we reasoned above seeing you as a stranger. That's why we brought you to our home. That is called humility. See, we do not segregate. I mean, we don't set apart. We do not discriminate. We are one family. I want you to learn that. Okay? Okay. So cheer up. Have you eaten? ₦3 million. Where do you expect me to get the money from?
You know, see the only way there. Read and complete. 3 million naira only. Maybe you don't go to school again. Now only I put it there, so now only. Besides, for your question, I no care where you from bring the money. If you want to go bring the money, beautiful. If you want to go do runs, bring the money, awesome. What I need is 3 million naira only. So I don't care how you raise the money.
David, why are you like this? Why are you like this? You know I didn't come to this house with any money.
That means I will open my mouth and tell your husband. In fact, if I see your husband, I will open my mouth. Wah! And when I open my mouth, wah! You will have family problem. Wah!
No, please don't open your mouth. Have conscience now. Have conscience.
Who conscience help? No, tell me. Who conscience help? Listen real good. Make sure you raise this money. Use your head and know which of your husband's property you will sell. Are you getting me? Because if you fail, I will not only tell your husband that you bed wet, I will put Jara before telling him about the poisoned drink as well. Be careful with me.
There's no hospital I've not been to for treatment. Yet it didn't work. I've lost all my relationships because of the same condition. I had no hope of having my own man. One day, Fred's mother visited my village and saw me. She asked me to marry her son. At first I was scared because I know my condition. But my mom encouraged me and asked me to go on with it. But I had to promise her that I'll tell my husband about my condition immediately after the wedding. Till date, I couldn't tell my husband about it because I was scared of losing him. You said you knew the gate man? Yes. Dubem was my childhood friend. But we've been enemies, though. I tried a relationship with him, but he backed out when he discovered I was bedwetting. He bullied me all through in the village. One day, Dubem's uncle came and took him away. Ever since then, I never set my eyes on Dubem. Getting to this house, I saw Dubem working as a gatesman. I tried everything to get him out of this house, but he threatened me. He threatened me that he was going to tell my husband the truth. And I know my husband, he would definitely call off the marriage, and I wasn't ready for it.
So tell me, what agreement did you reach with the gate man?
I made a promise that I was going to be giving him money whenever he asked for it.
What?
He would stop. He kept pushing me to do things I don't want to do.
Oh my God! How I hate that monster boy! Listen, this is the time to muster courage and tell your husband everything about this.
No, I can't, Auntie. I can't. My husband is going to send me away. I can't do it.
Is it better to continue to live this lie, stealing from your husband? I saw how you plan to sack Africa.
Yes, I did. Because Akika refused poisoning Dubem for me. I'm glad he didn't do it. But I wanted him out of the house. I wanted him to leave this house as a punishment for disobeying me.
You went too far.
I know.
I could vouch that you are not like this. You're not this bad.
I said, no, I'm not like this. I promise. I'm not like this.
You are.
It was the babe that pushed me to do this.
You were already a bad person when you concealed this truth from your husband, even before the babe came into the picture. I'm so disappointed at you. Come on.
Atenda, please. Please don't tell my husband about this. Please, I beg you. Please.
Tell your husband. This is the only way out.
Atenda, my marriage will be over already. Don't you get it?
That is the only sure thing. The surest of it all, trust me. Just that you have become so committed to this Dubem boy. I've always been seeing you. The way you give him money, be monitoring you. I'd expected you to either open up to me or to your husband. But you decided to conceal this truth. I only had to step up when I noticed that you were getting into trouble, which you may not be able to come out from it.
Atenda, tell me, how do I do this? How do I handle the babe?
Tell your husband before it's too late. A stitch in time saves 9. Tell him. I got you something. See what I got you. Diaper. Are you serious? Oh, thank you. I'm used to it, but I don't want to use it here.
Why?
Because the urination happens mainly at night.
That's the idea. You wear it only at night.
Oh, Auntie Edna, no. What if my husband wants to have sex with me? Yes, and you know they normally request for sex at night or early in the morning.
Oh my God, no. Nothing has spoiled yet. You wake up in the middle of the night after sex and wear it. Oh, but that's still, when there is no sex, you wear it.
Auntie Edna, you have a point though.
Okay.
You have a point.
I'll always help you to dispose of it so that your husband doesn't find out. But if you ask me, I will tell you to tell him more. He deserves to know what you're going through.
Hey, Auntie Edna, you're right, but I'm scared. I don't have the courage to tell him about it.
You don't have the courage. You muster the courage. You muster it. Develop it.
Okay, I'll try. I'll tell him. Thank you very much.
I spoke to that evil gate man.
Dubem. What did he tell you?
Listen, there is trouble. That lousy cook has found out that I'm the one washing your bedwet wrappers all this while. It's not you.
Dubem, how? How did she find out?
Are you asking? Have you forgotten how she behaved?
No, tell me, why won't I ask you? If you have taken that wrapper immediately I gave it to you to wash, she won't have seen it.
Okay, I'm blaming you.
Why won't I blame you?
See, this is not time to blame anybody. You must know what to tell her. Else she will tell your husband everything.
Oh, really? So you want me to just go there and tell her the truth so she can walk straight to my husband and tell him everything? Is that what you want?
I'm not supposed to handle this. You don't need that woman. You don't say she can talk too much.
Yes, you're supposed to handle this. You're supposed to handle it. This is your job. What is your job? You're supposed to handle it and you're here telling me there is trouble. It's your fault.
No problem. Don't need that woman. Confuse her. Lie for her. Else she will tell your husband. Don't you really need to go down? Okay.
Fred, look at this. Look at what I saw.
What is it?
Look at it now. See your gate man. This is not your gate man.
My gate man? Dubem, my gate man. Oh, come on, man. This is not my gate man.
Look at what I'm showing you now. Look at the picture. My friend, look at the picture. Look at the forehead. I don't see it. I said, look at the picture. You're looking at me. Look at the man. Look. I don't see it. Look very well now.
Mark, I'm surprised at you. I'm surprised you're the one saying this. How can you say this is my gate man, Dubem? Look, no. Look at this picture very well. How can you say this is... How can this be Dubem? This is not my gate man, for crying out loud. Look, yes, there might be some sort of resemblance, yeah? But, come on. This is not my gate man. Okay? I'm so shocked at you. We all have our look-alikes, okay? It's a matter of time you get to see yours. So please, that cannot be my Dubem. Do you know what you're talking about? Dubem. That person not see food chop with dress like that. Okay.
The resemblance is really striking. This is the same guy I told you that I only saw in a club. This is him. It's Dubem.
Man, can you stop saying it's Dubem? This is not Dubem. Yes, they look alike. But stop saying it's Dubem. This cannot... Do you know what Dubem brought to my house the very day I employed him? One dirty, haggard looking t-shirt and one funny tie. Where Dubem see money buy all this thing? This clothes. Come on, please. Say something else, I beg. Stop distracting. Look, I have so much to do.
Hey!
I had a dream where you gave birth to twins.
Are you serious? Hey, that would be nice now. Yes, I love it.
Oh, that would be so amazing.
They were so adorable and beautiful.
Are you
Oh
serious?
shit.
Why would they be beautiful?
Am
I not pretty?
Oh please.
Am I not beautiful?
Oh dear, I'm not handsome.
You know?
Alright honey, you know what?
What?
Since you love them as much as I do.
Yes, of course.
We have to get to work.
Get to work? I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
We have to get to work right now. Like, right now.
Baby, I want to pee. Yes, I'm seriously pressed. I want to pee.
Can't it wait?
I know it's that bad. I can't wait. I need to pee, okay?
Alright.
I'll be
Hurry
right
up,
back.
okay?
Okay.
Hurry up.
I will. I'll be with you shortly.
Okay. Honey, hurry up, please.
I'm coming. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning, my baby. How's the night?
Good morning, my angel. My night was beautiful. I mean, it was very beautiful. Knowing that you're still by my side.
Don't make me shy.
Wow, it's morning already.
Yes.
You know, I have a presentation today at the office to make.
Oh, really? Let me quickly make something for you to eat.
Don't worry, honey.
Don't worry. No, you have to eat something. I'm coming.
No change of 90? What change? I mean, as usual, you change your 90 every night.
Yes, I know. But I'm tired of doing the same thing over and over again. I'm tired of it. Embrace the new me. Do you know, I never slept in a long time since I entered this house, if not recently. Thank you so much, Auntie Edna. Thank you. You're a lifesaver. I wonder what took me so long in wearing diapers.
You were scared. Anyway, it's not easy to have such a condition. But I still don't think your husband will send you away if he gets to find out.
Auntie Edna, you can't blame me. You can't blame me for being skeptical about this. Because I've lost relationships because of this.
Come here. Yeah, I know. You still cannot know how your husband will react if he finds out. But I want to assure you something. Look at me very well. I will always be here to defend you by talking to your husband. I want you to tell him yourself. I don't want to tell him. I don't want to be the one to bring him in to know him, what you're passing through. Because if I do, he won't believe anything I say.
Auntie, no, I'll try. Just that I don't have the courage.
Hey, Anne. Tell him before it's too late. Because it will be disastrous if he finds out himself.
Okay. Ah. So how much? 180 million. It's alright. No, there's no problem. Alright. Yeah, it's true. It's called for celebration. Yeah, maybe by tomorrow, just hang out, and celebrate, okay? Oh, yeah. Alright, thank you very much. Yeah, you hear from me soon. Alright. Yeah. My brother.
Congratulations!
A big one at that.
Congrats. I'm so happy for you. Yeah. I am so happy for you, man. Congrats.
I'm so happy, man. The thing is that, Fred, this contract is something I've been working on for past few months now. But thank God they just awarded me the contract. But I will like you to assist me with some money so that I can sort out with the people that helped me get the contract.
Okay, so you need money to sort people that gave you the contract. What sort of contract?
No, it's not the people that gave me the contract.
Okay.
Rather, the people that helped me. People that helped me to do the underground work. To secure the contract.
Alright, no problem. So, how much are we looking at here?
Like 20 million naira. Yeah, but you're not dashing me the money. I will pay you back.
Oh, my God. How you borrow from me, you've not paid? 3 million naira.
This one is business. You understand? I will surely pay you, I'm serious.
Okay. So, when exactly do you need the money?
Let me say by weekend.
So, by Friday, I hope you won't be late.
No, perfect.
Alright, fine.
Okay, man.
I'll make money available for you by Friday.
Oh, thank you very much.
Congratulations. Congrats. This calls for celebration.
Yeah.
Alright.
Another thing, Fred. Have you made any attempt in investigating your gate man Dubem regarding all the things I've been telling you about him?
Mark, in as much as I know you as a very good friend, I mean, you see things and you say them the way they are, but this one, trust me, it's not one of them. Okay? That person is not Dubem. I mean, come on, my gate man. Remember that other day you called me and you said you saw him at the clubhouse?
Okay.
Dubem was standing right in front of me. I said, in my house. So how are you supposed to place that? Is it some sort of Holy Spirit or something appearing in two places at the same time? Please, I beg.
I'm just showing concern.
Just wipe that off your chest. Let me get you something for us to celebrate.
It's alright. It's alright. You say so.
Alright, yeah. For you and this for me.
Cheers.
Cheers to
more money.
More money and more contract.
Yeah. Cheers.
I'm so happy for you, man.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. You don't think he's the one, do you?
That sounds ridiculous. Dubem is just an ordinary gate man. There's nothing to think of.
That's exactly what I told my friend Mark, but I don't understand why he doesn't want to accept.
I don't understand Mark either. I don't get it. Mark has been to this house several times. And saw Dubem at the gate. So what is he trying to say?
I wish I know. I mean, yes, he looks so much like the guy in the magazine. Okay, but come on. I mean, we do have our lookalikes, even though we're not related or connected in any way. But
Exactly my point. We all have our lookalikes. That we haven't met them yet doesn't mean they don't exist. They do. You have, I have, everybody. We have our lookalikes. Yes.
I can't wait to meet your lookalike. I just can't wait.
Really?
Of course, I know it's not possible.
What are you going to do with her?
Nothing. Maybe just to ease my curiosity, Of course, I know certainly that God created you just for me. Okay, just one, original, no carbon copy, no fake, no duplicate.
Why are you always like this? Why do you always make me shy? Make me blush? Why are you always like this?
Because.
What about Ihoma? What has she done?
She has not done anything wrong.
Okay.
It's just that so I don't know your intentions as returning her to her people, or her people wanting her to continue to live here as away from the village. If they still want her to continue to live with us, I want to make a special appeal to you. Can I be allowed to adopt her?
Adopt her?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry I'm presenting it this way. You both know my story as regards to my relationship and marriage, which has both failed. All of them failed. And I've lost chances and hope of childbearing due to my age. I am asking if you can help adopt that girl for me. I swear, I promise to take care of her very well. And I'm ready to release her to go see her parents anytime she wishes to go see them. Even if adopting her will not work, can please go to a motherless baby's home and adopt a girl child for me. I'm not getting any younger. Let me see someone that will help me go through this old age. Please.
Okay, there's no problem. Have you spoken with the little girl?
No, I have not, sir. I needed to seek your consent first.
Okay, but you still need to talk with her. Okay, you need to discuss with the little girl. At least let's know her decision on this subject. Okay, that way it will help us. In fact, it will make things easier when discussing with our parents.
Oh, okay, sir.
Auntie Edna.
Yes, ma'am.
You are a wonderful woman. And I wish you all the best. You deserve to have a child that is going to take care of you during old age.
Hey.
I just wish and hope she will accept you.
So I didn't see this one coming up. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, you're such a lucky man. You indeed married a beautiful soul. Look at her! Beautiful in and out! Thank you so much, ma'am. Sir, can I retire to my quarter?
Of course, yes. But for all the SARS you've been calling me, I am deducting 10,000 naira from your salary.
And as for me, I am deducting 15,000 naira from your salary.
Sorry, ma'am.
You're still calling me ma'am?
Oh.
Mary Ann.
Yes, ma'am. Mary Ann.
Okay, you can go now.
Thank you, ma'am.
We are joking!
You're welcome.
Young man, say what you want to say. I don't have all. Don't waste my time.
Relax now, madam. Relax. Every time your blood go dey hot, you dey take something I do, they sleep something. Which one? Relax now, what woman you do?
Don't insult me, I'm not your mate. Don't insult me.
Metusele, I know say we no be mates. Relax. Forget all this of so you dey form hard woman. Every time you go lock up your face, they form tough woman, hard woman. I don't scan you spiritually. I use my scanner scan you. I see your heart. You be better person. You be better person. So no dey form hard for nothing. I think you get my family. That thing where you see. The bedwetting matter now. The issue at hand. The talk of town. It's a disgusting problem, but code it for us.
I shouldn't tell Oga.
Don't tell Oga. Don't even tell Oga's shadow.
And what if I decide to tell him? What will you do?
Are you that wicked? Don't you keep a secret?
When you were maneuvering it and doing all the rubbish with it, what were you thinking?
Don't worry. No, I know say you like money. Make I package you. I will give you 500,000.
What?
Keep it a secret.
500k?
Yes, no.
What an insult. Why are you degrading me like that? Eh? Please stop.
Say cook with pride though. 500k no move you. Okay, bye. I want make you keep that secret. I go make a 1 million from you. But no tell Oga what you see.
Do them. I may be a cook, but I am way richer than I can imagine. So I don't need your money. 500, 10 million, go away with your money. I don't need it. I'm not a hungry cook.
So what do you want to do? Hey, what do you want to do? Any more progress? You don't have to keep little secret.
If you know what is good for you, you pack your things and leave before Oga. Now that you can pack your things, so pack and leave before Oga comes back. Because when he does, you're on your own. Now I'm saving you. Start have a good heart. Is that good heart I'm using to tell you now? Leave.
Now cook you be.
Go.
Not a farm madam. Now ordinary cook you be. You don't have to do anything. Ordinary secret you can't keep.
I have gone outside several times at night, for some days now. It's always there.
Nice. So that means he's not the one sneaking out?
No, I don't think so. I feel it's just accusations and assumption. Okay, yes, he might be acting weird, okay? He might be acting stupid sometimes, but come on. He hasn't given me any reason to distrust him. He hasn't done anything whatsoever to distrust him.
But there's something Edna said.
Something like what?
Edna said that Dubem offered her 1 million naira to keep her mouth shut.
What? 1 million naira? To keep quiet on what exactly? Hey, do you know how much you just mentioned now? 1 million naira. Oh, please. Do you know what 1 million naira can do? Where can you get 1 million naira from? Dubem has 1 million naira and still working for me as a gate man. Please. It's not possible, okay? Enough of this accusation and assumption. Enough of it already.
It's not possible, and seriously, I'm confused. This whole thing is confusing. I don't understand.
My love, there is nothing confusing here, okay? There is nothing confusing as far as I'm concerned. I believe you guys are just seeing things from different perspectives. 1 million naira. Oh, please.
Onye ka m kelere akụ na-atakasị oke nwa na isi ọwa ọha na amadike onye mbụ bụ onye na-eji eme ọnụ ọgaranya ngada odogwu ji ego man of doing Nah, I greet you gallantly. No, my man, no.
I greet you, sir, but I don't know you.
Now me, nah. You forget. Duben Clubhouse. Even here in enemy. Even in ego. Ego. King of doings. Mark. Ne king of doings. Hey, kind of king of doings.
Sorry, sir.
Now NSC. Black Label. Jameson. Bayazu. Now you now. I know you. Now you now. Oh boy. Now those now. Those bobo.
My brother.
Man of doings.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, nwa.
I don't know you.
Brother, if you know to this guy is a Riego, this guy is the biggest man in town. Chidi, you are mistaking him for someone else. That was the same thing I thought the first time I met him. As a matter of fact, this is Dubem Fred Gateman. Make I tell you today.
God bless you, sir.
This one Adoski now.
Go back to your duty.
He's not the one. I thought the same thing the first time I met him. Ask Fred now. Fred. I was even arguing with him in his office. I don't know. He's not the one.
You don't foolish yourself, foolish yourself.
When you have those, you just give the you even call him as a doing.
Just see which one you found. You remove yourself. Please don't begin.
What is it? Are you sure you're ready? For what I'm about to tell you. Are you sure you're ready?
What is it?
By my side. Okay. Marianne, just calm down and tell your handsome husband why you're this happy. But before that, you have to kiss me.
A kiss?
Yes.
I'll do it in my full chest.
Okay? Yay! Yes! Yes?
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
This is what you're thinking.
I'm
with Charles! This is what you're thinking!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What happened to your baby?
Just kicked. My baby.
Oh, God, this calls for I'm gonna be a father soon.
You're a father.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
He's indeed a faithful God.
Yes, he is. And I can't wait to be a mother.
And it will surely fit you so well. You have the body of a mother.
Oh, until now you've started. I just thank God for this beautiful gift. I thank God. I'm so happy.
Yeah. And now that you're about to give him a child, don't you think it's about time?
Auntie Edna, please. Don't spoil this mood. Don't. Allow me to be happy for now. Don't spoil this mood.
They say delay is dangerous. Your husband deserves to know the truth. Hear the truth from the woman he truly loves. It's important you tell him about this. Right? Right.
Okay. I'll tell you.
You?
Today, be mindful the way you enter my room. Stop entering my room anyhow you like. Stop it.
Okay. You've been avoiding me. Why?
I've been avoiding you. As your wife, girlfriend or what? That should be seen around you all the time.
As someone that knows your secret. As someone that knows you bedwet. As someone that has refused to cast you in front of your husband and the general public. Meanwhile, we get doings on Saturday. So I need 1 million naira.
You need 1 million naira for doings?
Yes.
Not only doings, even mowings. For what? Why will I give you 1 million naira?
Let me ask.
Yes.
The play. No, just the play. Are you giving me the money or not?
Why will I give you? Listen, Dubem, I don't want to see you in my room again. The next time I will see you in this room again, you will not only do your doings in the club, you will do that doings inside the police cell. Don't try me. Don't!
You are asking me, Dubem, to leave your room.
Leave. Get out.
Are you aware that if I cast you, you will lose everything?
I'm aware. I'm aware. Is it not you? Dubem that knows that I bedwet. The Dubem that washes my clothes. The one that washes my wrapper. I know. And I am telling that same Dubem to leave my room. Get out. If not, that doings, you will do it in the police cell. Trust me.
Bye, Awa.
If. Nonsense.
Chop money, spend money. Wahala no dey tire you. The best celebrity gets man. Pretender, now you do the voice. I do the chop and kill him out. The best celebrity gets man. Oh.
Okay. Why is your face like this? What's bothering you? Talk to me, what is it?
I would like to tell you something.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
Just promise me you won't be mad at me, please.
Mad at you? Why? There is nothing you do or say to me that will make me get mad at you. Okay? I mean, why? What for? I can't get mad at the mother of my unborn child. Okay, so feel free to tell me whatever it is. Share it with me. Alright? Go ahead.
I want it.
Say it, honey. Say it.
I want to tell you that I broke your flower vase. I mistakenly broke your flower vase. I'm sorry, it wasn't intentional. I'm so sorry.
Honey, come on.
You're not mad?
Why? I was joking, okay? Hey, I was joking, okay? Of course I'm not mad at you. It's something I can replace, so why would I be mad at you? Why? there's no way I will be mad at you for breaking the flower vase. Okay? Alright? So next time, feel free to tell me anything. Anything at all that's bothering you. You always share it with me. Right?
I am very scared the baby is going to tell my husband everything. Can you calm down? Just calm down. You're not going to tell your husband one word. Calm down. Atenga, he's serious. He's very serious. When I told him that I'm not going to give him more money, he told me that he's going to walk straight to my husband and expose me. Atenga, he will do it. He's very serious. Ma'am, believe me when I tell you, he is not going to utter a word to your husband. Because he will be at the losing end. All hope of exploiting and getting money from you will be lost. And he wouldn't want to experience that. But this is the perfect time to tell your husband yourself. I've tried. This morning I tried telling him about it, but I was scared. I tried. I couldn't even open my mouth. I couldn't even tell him the truth. I'm scared. I'm going to lose my marriage. I'm going to lose. Tell him before it's too late. Now you're still in this marriage. Anything you need to do to save this marriage, begin to do it now. Okay. Tomorrow may be too late. Okay. Okay. I'm going to lose my marriage. You're not going to lose your marriage if you tell him the truth. Okay. Okay. I'll try.
You know you're my blood. This money is now yours. And trust me, more will come more. Feel it first now. This is real money. Now tell me, how does it feel to own such a amount?
I feel good, just that I don't know what I did to deserve this amount of money.
Now you are my blood now. I must not have any reason to dash you. But I need a little favor. Just one small favor like this. Take this, add it to the cook's food. Who? Edna now. That cook that calls herself Edna or whatever, I don't know. Just put her for her food, the food where you sure say she will chop. You understand?
Why? What will you do to her?
Okay, it's a food supplement. It will nourish her body, and at the same time, it will make her to start respecting me and seeing me as her boss.
But you're not her boss.
I'm not her boss. Like I'm not the owner of the house, but at the same time, I'm a man now. She's supposed to be respecting me. And I'm nothing special. Just add it to her food, The food where you don't say she will shop. Yeah? And don't forget, it's between us. Don't tell anybody. Agreement is agreement.
Chop money, spend money. Celebrity gets mad. Celebrity gets mad.
I know the gate man.
to know the gate man. How?
He's my uncle.
Chimo. Dubem.
What did you say?
When I first saw him, he warned me never to reveal his identity. That if I do, he was going to kill me. He caused the death of his own mother.
Do you know what you're saying? Hey, can you listen to what this little girl is saying?
Honey, I'm shocked at what she's saying.
Listen, woman. Tell me the truth. Okay? Tell me exactly the truth. The accident. You're crossing my car, the accident, you coming to my house. Was it all planned up? You guys just planned everything?
No, sir.
So how come?
Sir, you know how I found myself here. He recently asked me to poison Auntie Edna here.
What? What are you doing with that one? Listen, you know what? I don't have time to this. Just save this. For now, I have made up my mind to get that criminal arrested. I must get Jubem arrested. Can you imagine that idiot, that bastard, is nowhere to be found in the compound? My friend just called me that he saw that idiot. He saw that bastard at the clubhouse. Can you imagine that? What? I just have to get him arrested right now. Get him arrested immediately. Nonsense.
My husband.
What?
My husband, there's something I need to tell you. I don't know how to say it, but you have to listen to me. I kept this from you since I entered this house. They're all lies. They're all lies.
Hey, listen. I will listen to whatever I have to say later. Right now, I've made up my mind to get that criminal arrested. That's the most important thing to me right now. Enough of this madness.
You have to. Not reachable. No, not now. You have to pick your. You have to pick. Finished.
Young man, you have no right to say anything here or to get to the station. Officer, move him.
Fred, have you seen it? Didn't I warn you? I told you to investigate this guy, but you never believed me. Have you seen it now? No, they forget. Trust your good man. Have you seen it?
I've been wanting to tell you this for long. All my courage failed me. I've been having this issue of bedwetting for years now. All my suitors ran away because of the same condition. My family and I decided to come down to the village to know if things can turn around for me for good. But nothing changed. Everybody that came for me ran away. Your mother saw me and chose me for you. My mother and I decided to keep it a secret. We hid the secret from her till after our marriage. I promised my mother that I was going to tell you the truth. But I was so scared. Not until I saw Dubem. It happened that Dubem is from my village and he's fully aware of my condition. When Dubem found out that you're not aware of my condition, he decided to use it against me. Dubem made me do despicable things. The only thing he did not do was to ask me to sleep with him. He made me store his documents. He asked me to steal one of your documents so I can raise millions for him. He was demanding too much and I don't know where else to get the money from. So I had to sell one of your property.
What? You sold my property?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I was too scared. I was scared that you knowing the truth that you're going to call off the marriage. I'm sorry. When Auntie Edna found out, she advised me to tell you the truth. But I was so scared of the truth. I was so scared of telling you the truth.
Meaning, you were aware about this all this while? You were aware about this?
Master, I am sorry. I am sorry. It wasn't in my place to tell you. I begged her to tell you. She was scared. I wanted it to come from her. Let it come from the horse's mouth. I am sorry.
I'm sorry, it's not her fault. It's not her fault at all. She actually wanted to tell you, but I told her that I was going to be the one to tell you. I'm so sorry I betrayed you. I'm so sorry. When I found out that I was pregnant for you, I decided not to be giving to them money again. Because I couldn't stand the deceit. I couldn't stand the betrayal. You've been but a good man and a good husband to me. I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry. Please, my husband. I'm so sorry. Please, my husband, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry, Pico. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my husband, please.
You had every opportunity of telling me the truth. You had the opportunity of trusting that I will stand by you no matter your health challenge. But you chose betrayal instead.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We are sorry.
Oh. Alright. Let me tell you this. It is something I've never told anyone in this house before. My mother knew about your health condition. She told me herself. My mother told me about your health condition. Still, I made a decision to go on with the marriage despite your condition. I believe there was help out there. I believe we could get a cure out there. I wanted you to tell me yourself. I was willing to wait till you clustered the courage of telling me the truth yourself. Which is why I overlook all the changing of bedsheet and my clothes at night. I knew all along. Yes. I knew about her health challenge. I guess you didn't trust me after all. I guess you just didn't trust me enough. Stop.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to see my house.
No, please. I'm sorry.
Open up to him. In love, open up to him. And you want to win such a go better. If you love your husband, open up to him. If you love your darling, open up to him. And you want to win such a go better.
I wasn't scared of telling you. I'm sorry. I cannot live without you, so I cannot live. Who is going to accept me like this?
How long will this continue? How long can you hide your sins? And it's a boy, and during such one them on your walk as your fire and yellow yaka. Ige was your rimiri, never chungane, oh, again, can't hide it away forever. You can't hide these sins away. So open up to never judge. Open up to never one more. Open up to him. In love, open up to him. And you want to win, si cha, go better.
Your wife is pregnant with your child. She doesn't deserve to be sent away.
Who are you to tell me what to do and what not? You lost that privilege the very moment you chose to betray me.
How? How? How did I betray you?
You knew the truth all this while, but chose to hide it from me. The only reason she's not in the police cell right now for selling my property was because of my unborn child.
Fred, I'm not supposed to tell you anything. Even when I tried to tell you, she pleaded with me to allow her process before telling you. She's an adult. She should know what is good and what is bad.
She wouldn't have laid hands on my property. She wouldn't have laid hands on my property and sold it if you had protected my interest.
Fred, you have to understand that I will not do anything to hurt you.
Enough! Enough of this madness already. I thought you were still the Edna I used to know. The Edna that would tell me everything. The Edna that would always watch after my back. It's obvious I was mistaken all along. You chose to betray me. You changed completely. Edna, leave my house. Leave my house and never return. I don't want to set my eyes on you again. Edna, leave my house. I do not trust you anymore. There is no point pretending.
Brother, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you in any way.
Enough, Edna! I don't want to repeat myself. Get out!
Hey, Akrika, my brother.
What's up?
I don't suffer. Since that time when they carry me, and now when they release me.
Who release you?
I didn't inside cell since. But that will not be the problem. I beg, Oga, I won't apologize to Oga. I won't tell Oga say Madam no be bad woman. No. Now me the blackmail Madam will make her begin steal Oga money to do this.
All those things are the past. Everything don't come to normal. Oga don't forgive your wife. Even I tell now we adopt child. Everything that don't know all those things not the past.
So
Past are rubbish.
Oga and Madam they together everywhere good.
Everywhere balanced.
It's the Lord.
Everywhere
You see, Africa, my brother, I know I wronged you in the past, but forgive me. While in cell, I gave my life to Christ. Yes, I repented.
So what's in that one coming?
As we speak, I am a new creature in Christ Jesus. So please, help a brother, oh?
I'll say no the way we won't take enter this house the second chance.
No, my point is say I can't survive.
You don't survive. You see go survive, man, you don't be man. The first time when I never saw you for this house, how you take the survive?
Now, adolescent stage. Don't vex now, adolescent stage. I'm not a changed person. I'm a born again now.
If I sight you, you don't like me.
The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibu Bakariaga. The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibu Kwamwambia. Spending chop money. Onye jego dele. Akuna taka siri number. Oke mwani so. Ohama dikendi boje mo. Duski lala. Chop money, spend money. Onye jego dele. Wahala no dey tire you. The baby celebrity gets mad. Pretender now you do the worst. You dey chop and kill him out. The baby celebrity gets mad. Oh. Gets mad way pass oga. Even madam they fear you so. Makibu kwa mwabi. Ibu Bakariaga. Spending chop money. Onye jego dele. Akuna taka siri number. Oke mwani so. Ohama dikendi boje mo. Duski lala. Chop money, spend money. Onye jego dele. Celebrity gets mad. Celebrity.